Live from the city of Birmingham, UK, and around the world, this is Little Richie with the real big show, non-stop reggae radio.
Listen me! Hear me now, Maestro talking, Little Richie. That's it. Listen me. Yeah!
I'm in a Little Richie. Me like it when you spin it up, flip it up, hear the tune and just twist it up. You don't know, keep on doing your thing, spice that.
Spin yourself to the time, you know it's Cartel. You know when I'm in Birmingham, you know I listen to Little Richie. Spin yourself, Little Richie, you start well. It's Cartel, and I'm out.
Little Richie, you see you.
Testing 1, 3, Little Richie. We're not test 2. Sound it. Basically, I'm saying, Lucy. Here in Birmingham. Little Richie, I like to play. Put up.
Little Richie, I do what you slap. Don't change nothing. Don't plug out nothing. I am blessed. A Little Richie so blessed.
Little Richie. Little Richie. Who them around?
Little Richie is not afraid. Little Richie is not afraid. No, if them are come, let them come. Richie is protected by the Most High One. Well, it's done with it sound strong when you're locked into Little Richie. Women say keep it locked and not play with it.
Blessed up and greeting to the bicycle. Charlotte to the black side scene.
Big up.
Little Richie scene. Everything is everything. Charlotte Charlotte to the black side.
Boom.
Well, watch it up. A Little Richie. Rising insane.
Yo, this year we have to be the winner. Little Richie now go win yard without him. You them a dinner. He's in a money making move. Can't touch your hands without him dogs, them a food. Your man them for those your conscience I represent for Little Richie.
Wow. This is Baby Shaman, you're listening to Little Richie. Can you hear me? Good, Birmingham lockdown.
Hold it, petrol,
I'll be a forward, not the now.
Listen me.
Chris next to Little Richie, Chris Goldfinger say, you're the realest DJ.
Anyway, Little Richie is the love doctor. Call him anytime you need him, ladies. Just call him anytime when you're ready for the bump and grind. Yeah, man, and I'm sure no star on me, but don't protect me every time. And it's Richie, jump on them in the mirror, tell me.
Little Richie, it's automatic, you know. If it's a game, be ready to play it, yo. If it's a AK, Richie, I go spray it, yo. Give me your mic and make me DJ, cause I know we are the people them say, so we are the road first. Little Richie, we are the dope first. We play the note first, we don't play them are the dope first. Yeah, man, that's it, that's 7.
Yeah, man, Chevelle Franklin. Blessings and honor goes out to Little Richie.
Well, this is Beanie Man and Chevelle Franklin.
Yeah, man, everything is everything. Watch it. Little Richie have it a flame. No, we culture says so. Rhythm.
Wickedness increase. Inna the music fraternity, man. The greatest station in the world. Run things for years, man. Beep, beep. You're the road runner, man.
Little Richie on the real big show.
There's man speaking.
Turn up your radio.
Thank you, Gilly. Good afternoon, Birmingham. Hello, world.
Live from the city of Birmingham, UK, and around the world, this is Little Richie with the real big show, non-stop reggae radio.
Give me the show. Come on. That one you feel the girl, them out the way you send on the wickedest wine. I still am up and up, them whining turn up and I mash up me mind. Bend down and reverse it, drop it and twerk it, do it one time. Up in the club, girl I wine and I broke out, and it's on a short time. Hear me no missing, that thing, rise this thing, know this thing, you wine at the baddest thing. It's a the maddest thing. Galang, but nobody come here with your baddest thing. That thing, we see at the fattest thing. Me just sweat hard because you're the hottest thing. Wine a shot like a 9, shottest thing. Body tight, no deal with the sackest thing. That one you feel the girl, them out the way you send on the wickedest wine. I still am up and up, them whining turn up and I mash up me mind. Bend down and reverse it, drop it and twerk it, do it one time. Up in the club, girl I wine and I broke out and So she a booming like a rich trampoline, and I wind up with cross like a real stripper queen. You turn any man nightmare in a dream. So forget that body, then me will spend every penny for. And if I strip tease, you know me ready for. Bend and touch your knees, freaky Jennifer. The boat tongue one day, me a go send it for. That one you feel the girl, them out the way you send on the wickedest wine. Until them a burn up, them whining turn up and I mash up me mind.
Yo, DJ Frost, me need something to spin. Nobody now have nothing to spin. Yo, give me something to spin. Spin. Take out your rock. Something. Spin. Everybody spin. Hey, now it easy to catch it dance, watch it dance. New dance to popular dance, you fi dance. Spin your one over your head, watch the dance. New dance to popular dance, you fi dance. It easy to catch it dance, watch it dance. New dance to popular dance, you fi dance. Jamaica, America, London and France, them a dance the popular dance, them a dance. Alright, from your popular to the popular, give my opinion, everybody to the popular. Mix it ding dang and mix it and deceive together. And let the devil know say our thing no regular spin. We have the dancer like a gig spinning. Popular pan the acapella up and the Chino can't do the dance. Then God go with him all world, but a popular as well in a prison. Now it easy to get you dance, watch it dance. New dance to popular dance, you fi dance. Spin your one over your head, watch the dance. New dance to popular dance, you fi dance. It easy to get you dance, watch it dance. New dance to popular dance, you fi dance. Jamaica, America, London and France, them a dance the popular dance, them a dance. Them use Spanish town, mother than no. Brook Valley Sherlock said them but no. Chatty mouth boy we can't stand no. Certain no friend we no keep with a boy where you switch. Grudgeful bad minding farmer where you snitch. Friend we no keep, 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 friend we no keep. Dirty life we know it. No, Aki alone now we national dish. Friend we no keep, friend we no keep, friend we no keep, friend we no keep, friend we no keep. Friend we no keep with a boy we like lights. Run past them like a soft night spikes. No knowings me say for the boy we fight spice. And all of them where you sell out for hype life. Friend we no keep with a child molester. Yeah, run go Portland, fly go Chester. Jamaica too small, out them a go left ya. We have the proof so them can't wear no vest for. Friend we no keep with a boy where you switch. Grudgeful bad minding farmer where you snitch. Friend we no keep, friend we no keep, friend we no keep, friend we no keep, friend we no keep.
Wow, make no for me, wow, make millions. One push ounce me, one push milligrams. Let go the wine now, let go Babylon. Control bigger food than Renito Adams. One be done, me pray for me simpleton. One boost for me love unification. Act like them tough and off a tech program. Who with me make me hear you say ounce and land now. One big gal is while I'm here, you gal a jam. One be freak while hardcore I stand. Me push crooked, elevate ganja man. Messing up this thing from how long? What we come for do? Make it get a youth, make it now. Make it poor people somewhere somehow. When you make it, never you fake it now. Cause if them say a spell man I go break it now. Make it sufferers, make it now. Make it poor people somewhere somehow. When you make it, never you fake it now. If them say a spell we a go break it yo. Guns are coming about real like food. Ever know the youth say mood a get on the road. Quick fi make the pay, eat off your food. No man a check how life can improve. Like walking closet, 100 pair of shoes. Burberry Cafelli so till you're confused. Wanna make it in a life, not the X-News. Now no good to tell me try more.
I love sweets like honeycomb. Rasta no in and none of them funny zone. I wanna see both of them a brag them a crab in a bag. When me do me just hold me own. Some boy love sweets like honeycomb. Rasta no in and none of them funny zone. I wanna see both of them a brag them a crab in a bag. Rasta no a funny bone. That boy ya me cool like river, flow like spring. Dirty heart, bad mind, sure lightning. Who no say no like me don't like him. Me no fishing at the sea, so me don't like swim. Enough gal, me no Tarzan, no swing pal him. Local island gal, big foreign. Dollar boy no give me no dollar sign paring. Who lean up me have a dollar kind. Some boy I love sweets like honeycomb. Rasta no in and none of them funny zone. All who no say, enough of them a brag, them a crab in a bag. When me do me just hold me own. Some boy I love sweets like honeycomb. Rasta no in and none of them funny zone. All who no say, enough of them a brag, them a crab in a bag. Rasta no a funny bone. Have a boy happy, have my one to put in your beat.
Crime on the rise, violence now cease. Not get a youth on recent disease. Mama all red another R.I.P. No jobs, no money, no house, no keys. Black car with hopes, what's there to achieve? Be a promises, youths them don't believe. Mommy want money, youths have to get paid. And no mercy, them a bust it in the streets. Look how the thing get deep. Squaddy in a plain clothes and go down the road. Car gunshot a fire whole heap. Them have no mercy. the youth reach and peak. So now them a turn up the heat. No money in a clothes, but clip overload. Them no response to who wants it. Yes, anything that them say. Them still have up the things and not dash them way. Well, I'm money over crime, yes, I cash them say. When I look up for the youth, then we say. So many things in the top out. Yes, still the youth, them still not get sat out. So many things in the mention. Yes, still the youth, them not get no attention. Them not no mercy. Them a bust it in the streets. Look how the thing get deep. Squaddy in a plain clothes now go down the road.
Look at Richie, it's automatic, you know.
Take the lab amount, the bag of lipping, bag amount. Chat so much is that they need another mouth. Mouth cut cross for you, so what? See from your baba mouth, you can go and chat. And if of them love the tracing. One fi see who have the bad amount. We no afraid of the mother mouth. So we say left with your yabba mouth. If you not skip by your mouth, don't sing another note. Hey watch out, cause them a yip and them a yap. So this and I say that. Anytime you hear back, they say they no say that. But we no really listen when we hear them a chat. The mouth of diarrhea, I be ish them a chat. But all them a talk, we no response with that. Cause the talking no help if you put down with that. Mouth come me like a weapon and fi get charged for that. It come me like them out of fire shot. Because they come down with the yabba mouth. The bag of lipping, the bag of mouth. Chat so much is that they need another mouth. Mouth cut cross for you, so what? See from your baba mouth, you can go and chat. And enough of them love the tracing. What fi see who have the bad mouth. We no afraid of the mother mouth. So we say left with the yabba mouth. Happiness give by your mouth. Don't sing another note. Me say that half of them notes argument for
Batman don't give up. If me have to get a touch with stay rich with a craft. You deaf? Rude boy don't give up. No brush by my pants and my short. You deaf? Youngsters don't give up. Cause we no give up, we no give up, we no give up. You deaf? Rude boy don't give up. Youngsters, them can't use money, try to change shot. No worry my break. We no carry certain guy ways. We no fight no feel lick. All when them buy 35 years. You can't call me fi come tears. We no sponge from people. Rude boy no bad man no. Fragile a road car Batman no head. Before we do what you a do, I we prefer that. So get this in your head. If me have to get a touch, we get rich, me stay broke. You deaf? Madman don't give up. If me have to get a touch, we stay rich with a craft. You deaf? Rude boy don't give up.
You're too bad mind, see the star line. You're for proud of the star, yo, make the star shine. Well, I will not get in the star mine. And the real big show in me have a star now. Who never ask me a youth prize, but the action a great while them a youth prize. Play with the cars of the two wise. If the head hurt me, you know everything rise. We no kill champion, we build champion. We no kill champion, we build champion. You're too bad mind for the star line. You're for proud of the star, yo, make the star shine. Well, I will no one get in at the star mine. Anyway, you see the teacher, me have a star 9. You never pass see a youth rise, but the action a do it while them a use nice. Play with the cars of the two wise. If my head hurt me, you know everything rise. We no kill champion, we build champion. 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 We no kill champion, we build champion.
Listen to me. You have a voice chat talking a liquor rich. Listen to me, listen.
We no kill champion, we build champion. We no kill champion, we build champion. We no kill champion, we build champion. Calabar, champion. You too bad mind for me ears ring. You feel proud of me watch, proud of me chain thing. Every day could be the same thing. Man I try long time for the money making. Just fi wear the good shoes. Me nah go low like Hollywood blues. Y'all come that are the good news. I know me make your girl gone pan a Tom Cruise. We no kill champion, we build champion. We no kill champion, we build champion. We no kill champion, we build champion. Calabar, champion. We no kill champion, we build champion. We no kill champion, we build champion. We no kill champion, we build champion.
Juggle, 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 juggle.
Cut them off, cut them off. You fi Jana, Jana. This a for the fake friend. Anyway, cut them off, cut them off. You fi cut them off. From them no real, you fi shut them off. Cause them can't kill we all off. We not dead off. Cause me mother did tell me not to trust them. The Bible tell me not to trust friend. Because who's to be trust and love. And them fuck see you and touch. It's like them have a dirty bad mind and them can't sleep. It's like how you make them can't sleep. It's like how you make them can't eat. Them all a girls just for the leather on your car seat. But the progressive in a life is like a band fit. Yes,
see a goal and you gone fit. Get to your bond from the concrete. And you never sell a soul and take the wrong street. I make you special, so I'm so special, so from bad mind can't stop you, you're special too. I'm so special, so I'm so special, so them can't pull you down, let the special go. Them not bad, them bad mind. Them get the blessing and waste for them time. Me see them stop a lot of youth shine. If them try stop mine, well that's straight to the kind. Cause the Bible tell you not to trust them. Me mama did tell me not to trust friend. She said who to be trust and love. The same ones hate and grudge. God knows. The Bible tell you not to trust.
It's now coming up on 40 minutes after the hour of 3 o'clock.
Who to be trust and love. The same ones hate and grudge.
On this Wednesday afternoon, the 18th day of June 2014. Good afternoon, Birmingham. Hello world, how we doing? Richie all over your radio sets for our second edition of the Real Big Show of the week.
If you are atop them head go look for
you know, on a Wednesday afternoon, I like to play one or two for my dancehall fans, you know what I mean? Special treat in store for us a little bit later on this afternoon, because just after 4 o'clock we will be in conversation with Mike Hillis. So go on, become a Mike Hillis, making his way up to the HQ as we speak. Be up to Mike Hillis. In the building with us just after 4 o'clock. I'll be playing some of his songs and finding out a little bit about his history. And also get you in the mood for the big party this coming Saturday at Cubs Bar. Of course, it's Little Richie's big birthday party up and coming.
It's DJ Sunshine representing for the Real Big Show in the afternoon. Liquor Richie, the vibes buck, a beer, dose.
No shit. What's that? My style, my flow are the hardest. Reaping the fruits of the harvest. Some of the stairs them can't test. Never full of wild but my cardless. For reach my level of the hardest. Cause they gotta lock it regardless. Me sting like what's some chop like less. Nigga bear that I guess is a hard press. No, what's time I been new? Lock the crowd from me intro. Learn from what I've been to. When I've been to, what I've been to. Summarize to the top. But I mean can't stop. Summarize to the top. Got it. Anyone want to be ready? Yeah.
Nice. That's when transaction come.
No shit. What's this? My style, my flow are the hardest. Reaping the fruits of the harvest. Some up on the stairs them can't test. Never full of wild but my cardless. For reach my level of the hardest. Cause they gotta lock it regardless. Me sting like what's some chop like less. Nigga bear that I guess is a hard press. No, what's time I been new? Lock the crowd from me intro. Learn from what I've been to. When I've been to, what I've been to. Summarize to the top. And I think I stop. Summarize to the top. Ain't looking back. Who don't want some stop? No time. But we don't give up. Who don't want some bro? But we don't give up.
The boy them want to the car, man like cigarette. I'm happy anywhere me dey, everywhere me go. And I watch every dollar sign on me make. Only God see I pay millions you forget. Separation time real thugs no forget. So anymore, try stop me food right now. Them forget. All of me link them circumspect. We no take talk from super spec. Me and me one boss last time each year. That's why them a pray for me fall and break. Anymore we violate, get in on. That's why them vex when money make. No wrong.
We no want some stop. But we don't give up. We don't want some bro. But we don't give up. We don't give up about it. We don't really care what you want to do. God never take $1 million. Anywhere I get to, that's what. But goddamn, I'm out with the hottest girls. Golly God with the hottest first. Me stay on top and see jealousies. Me never fall off like water, sir. Me true to the game like Genesis. Real pain, real words. None of them want to see me in a real earth. We don't want some stuff. But we don't give up. We don't want some bro. But we don't give up.
That's normal.
Times are caught. Life. Gully.
Them put money over everything, so them sell out for anything. Them not loyal to a thing. Yeah. Me no want a friend. Me no want a friend. Cause them set me up already. Them not get to do it again. Tell the Judas and the Peter them. The Holy God them on the street again. Listen to the voice that clearly I come to your speaker then. Yeah. Dirty bad mind, me not trust to know who no work too much over. We bust Nancy Rock and NSA, watch who know a bust cream soda. Them a try hard to take our life, but I judge a machine. Think me don't know them, end for my life through my cars and my diamonds real. So keep your eyes open up, watch them, no make them lock up that. Money have to make, your woman have to hot. Your youth go to school, food have to in a pot. The poor life I'm from, I ain't going back. Me still up on the gully, but the poor crab. Want make it fuel, make it me leave a while. Them say me stop, me think the drop the gully got forever hot. Me no want a friend, me no want a friend. Cause them sell me out already, them not get fit to it again. Tell the Judas and the Peter them, gully got them on the street again. Listen the money voice clearly, I come to the speaker then. Yeah. Family me say, nobody friend me through the box of money. Them know me ability to make a stacks of money. It's no man Sadiq, my money graffiti. Money make them hate me but them can't beat me. Money make you lick your finger like sweetie. Money man I take and make them girl a freaky. But they girl in me blood, nobody never freak me. So just know man. Yeah.
Well, my special guest is live in the building.
The Holy God up on the street again.
While we also Michael as he reach.
Listen to the voice that clearly I come to your speaker then.
So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna give him a little time to settle in. And then we'll be in conversation with the great Michaelus just after 4 o'clock right here on The Real Big Show.
Yeah, though
my song right now.
Shadow of death. I shall fear no evil.
It's DJ Sunshine representing for The Real Big Show in the afternoon. Liquor Richie, the vibes, Bob, up here, those.
I don't for them, not know the king, but are you protect us all? Them never see me fall. Jah know, Jah tell me who you everything.
That's it. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil. For thou art with me. Jaja, protection, seal.
Jah tell me who you everything. I know for them no know the king, but are you protect us all? Them never see me fall. Jah know, Jah tell me who you everything. I know for them don't know the king, but are you protect us all? We're firmer than a wall. Jah know. 10,000 shall fall at my right hand, 20,000 at my left, and none shall come against me. Just show me my enemies, oh, 'cause I'm ready to see you fall. Careful of your life, 'cause them will set it up. Couldn't believe, say, I your friend and try to wet you up. You make a money and your mama also set we just survive them of your name and try to dirty up. Because them never want to see a crown king. No, them never love you for your thing. You elevate and you go win. Tell them dirty bad mind is a sin. Just tell me who you everything. I know for them not know the king, but are you protect us all? Them never see me fall. Jah know, Jah tell me who you everything. I know for them not know the king, but are you protect us all? Be a big firmer than a wall. That get a youth that should be sitting on a seat with the most high. too afraid to sit and smoke a spliff with the most high. And beg him, please don't stay far, stay close.
That is how I like to hear the Gully God.
My enemies could never cross.
All Mavado fans.
But is not for the swift, but who can endure it? Each time them fight, me singing more hits. Music is life, people adore it. To every youth in the
What are they recalling everything?
This is my testimony, it's my ghetto story. Me not have a fight because I just give me the glory.
I want to take time out to say birthday greetings to the immortal One Ras Squad. Big up us One Ras, celebrating his Earth Strong today. I take the big up here. And of course, yours truly, Little Richie, celebrating my Earth Strong today as well. So Michaelis has come to join us. So it's all good. I'm going to feature one more, taking us up to the commercial break. Esca Levi, I-Octane.
Esca Levi. Change my life here is. Change for a cause. Say no family with you, don't for me now. No friend. See me a kilogram. Make me tell you this a friend. Worse than illegal gun. Watch your head back at them with squeeze and run. So when you see the signs, you better read and done. Got life it no cheese and bun. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. We come a act real, but I create some of them. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. Yo, yes. No need no new friend or road party. If you're not family, do not call me. Say the real, them a real charge. And the boss me sell you out the front seat of Harley. Them get big class like Taliban or Sani. And you conquer the globe with the turf army. Inna them grave, well them can't draw me. Aja alone a safeguard me. So we tell you this a friend, worse than illegal gun. Watch your head back at them with squeeze and run. So when you see the signs, you better read and done. Got life it no cheese and bun. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. We come a act real, but I take some of them. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. Yes. Listen to the fox them. They say lion and watch out for the fox them. Sidestep anytime them set them chops them. Cause them two side like farmer cut glass them. Them who no mind and you cut off we locks them. Now the boot for you take off and we sacks them. But mind just a dump and a box them. Them who no mind and you ask them. Make me tell you this a friend, worse than illegal gun. Watch your head back at them with squeeze and run. So when you see the signs, you better read and done. Got life it no cheese and bun. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. We come a act real, but I take some of them. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. The best we have a enemy, more than a friend. Yo, yes. No need no new friend or road party.
Okay, listen, gonna go for a quick commercial break. Juggle some more big songs on the other side. Michaelis settle in. Then straight after 4 o'clock, in conversation with the big man himself, playing some of his big songs and also finding out about his history. And we're also going to build you up for the big party this coming Saturday. Soon come.
Sing them. Give a liquor and drop. Let's talk about more music.
Liquor Richie. You see you.
Whoa, whoa. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor whistle. Hey, me and my brother them good. Me never grudge them flan. Family me deal with me bun, yes man. In a interview them ask enough question. Them want know where me born and where me come from. Tell them, De La Vega same time. They saw me born right on the train line. 10.5 seconds a game time. And if a brother not half, me say me we share mine with them. Share it like a good news, cause me love my family like a cook food. Late in the hours and night we cook food. Every plate of it full up of rice and good stew. Hey, let me see some lighter. From your nose say you feel alright. And me say love defeat all evil. The song you have to clean on people. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, like a whistle.
whistle, clean like a liquor whistle. Ay, clean like a whistle, clean like a liquor whistle. Ay, easy no shades, now watch your face, daddy bands. Clean like a whistle and a same so we band. You believe in me and everywhere me perform. People as say on the dear to me heart. Zion, Kelly so don't say your words. Zinc fence them can't say we sound never work. Hey, Teflon all the crown them a yours. Couldn't help but fi write it down in a words, yeah. Because me certain, who no not trade me fi none of the pearl them. Enough people a walk on road in a clean clothes, but them hearty want detergent. Hey, so make me see some lighter. If you know so you feel alright. I miss a love defeat all evil. That song you fi clean out people. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in me, lighters in me. If you know you are clean like a whistle. Like a whistle, clean like a liquor whistle.
Yo, Liquor Richie birthday party, Saturday the 21st of June at Cubs Bar, 127 Sherlock Street, Birmingham, B56NB. Yours truly will be bringing on all the artists of the night, so make sure you reach Liquor Richie birthday party.
So from your look on the shoes and your look on the suit and your look on the troop, you will know that I Cha-cha warrior. Come on, come on. And from your look on my face with the sword from me waist and the golden case, you will know that I Selassie warrior. Come on, me and the warriors step in a room, hot like pepper, cramp and paralyzed, stop life wrecker. And when the barriers them thick like leather, not compromise in a this life. We were chosen, we walk the land, 1 million soldiers, your army strong. Some in a khaki suit, some in a cardigan. So the fire of red from Babylon. So from your look on my shoes and your look on my suit and your look on the troop, you will know that I Cha-cha warrior. Come on, come on. And from your look on my face with the sword from me waist and the golden case, you will know that I Selassie warrior. Come on, frost, them say war, but another that we approach. We have a goal and that we are reach. Just the truth we are practice a straight. Mount Zion, that we are first the one who govern the globe. Sits high and look low. Just so, just a word and the Zion we go. So from your look on my shoes and your look on my suit and your look on the troop, you will know that I Cha-cha warrior. Come on, come on. And from your look on my face with the sword from me waist and the golden case, you will know that I Selassie warrior. Come on, red, gold and green, red, gold and green. Come on, red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Yeah. Now let's give thanks and praise unto the Most High Jah, Rastafari, Haile Selassie the First, for giving I and I this great and wonderful privilege. Come together in love and perfect unity.
Find money, every other man have a different story. Yet still, them a tell we no worry. Yeah, me tell us I don't done. Look how much people are dead out there. No go and start rich, cause them sell out way. My people fed up, yeah. Nothing that they have for all on to. I feel cry when we don't want to. Cause when you can't find food tomorrow, you can't turn to a soul for bar. Ration and stop yourself. It go on and on. Go on and on, so good, so stop yourself. It go on and on, Now see now one plate, yes I one plate, but a million motorways. Oh we survive and most out of fate. This situation is out of place. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell you the truth, we can't find it. Go look around and them deny it.
crazy happenings this afternoon. Michael is live in the building. Just after 4 o'clock in conversation with the man himself.
In the easy for people to find money. Every other man have a different story.
Give him time just to settle in, you know what I mean? Now coming up on 20 minutes before we say 4 o'clock right here in Birmingham, UK. I want to big up all my peeps on Facebook from early. Now listen, I ain't being rude and I ain't being ignorant. I've got so many messages to reply to. So really nice birthday greetings. So like I says, I ain't being like rude or anything like that. I will be replying, I promise you. I've got like thousands to go through. You know that, Michael? Thousands! Crazy! Serious. Enough people looking forward to Saturday, but we'll talk about that in a little while from now. Wow. Wednesday afternoon across the city of Birmingham and around the world. It is www.stingdenradio.com.
I have a feeling.
Alkaline.
Till we old. Then I feel whenever you feel alone. Get me wallet and everything me own. You me hard but me can't give me so. And if you let me still love you feel like something like sweet and not nice. Or like Tommy and Marshall or Chandel and Kim like. Baby feel me, squeeze me. We can move mountains when we are touch and bite me. Nobody else matters when we are touch and kiss me. Hold me close to you, don't let me go. When we are touch, me baby. Run the race and me compass, but me no shame. Although me love you, stay in a your lane. Call me Alka in a real life, but in a love, oh God and oh Jesus, me name. Me tell you already, me I tell you again. If we feel left, then me life I end. Now close your eyes and count to 10. While me kiss you, give you icky dead. Lay down, down, down. Nothing no wrong if we touch funny ground. Down, down. We deep in a love, now fall out. Out, out. Listen, the words that come from my mouth. The words that come from my mouth. Oh, feel me, squeeze me. We can move mountains when we are touch and bite me. Nobody else matters when we are touch and kiss me. Hold me close to you, don't let me go. When we are touch, me baby. Like I feel like them make you touch slowly. Nobody else, no matter, just we only. Cause your body feel like heaven. Not even a tear up blouse, so holy. All of me friends know you are me honey. If you not believe, ask DJ Kenny or Rock Sunshine when me tell her about you when me go OG. Baby, lay down, down, down. Nothing no wrong if we touch funny ground. Down, down. We deep in a love, now fall out. Out, out. Listen, the words that come from my mouth. The words that come from my mouth. Oh. Squeeze me. We can move mountains when we are touch and bite me. Nobody else matters when we are touch and kiss me. Hold me close to you, don't let me go. When we are touch, me baby.
The voice of Alkaline. Once again, go on, pick up myself, the Immortal Walrus. Next year, around this time, myself and the Immortal Walrus will be doing a dance together. So next year, watch out for it from now. He's gonna be crazy. As the Immortal Walrus celebrates his Earth Strong the same day as me, June 18. Next year, remember where you heard it first, right here on The Real Big Show. Myself on the Immortal Walrus. I'll keep a dance together. Alright, cool. Watch out for it. Oh, this goes by the name of Nature. You know, we've been pushing this man's career right here in Birmingham, UK and around the world. What they were calling Skin Catcher Fire.
I want you. Every day I'm gonna Little Richie. You see you. Skin catch a fire when you see you, girl. You wear more than rubies, diamonds and pearl. Skin catch a fire when me see you, girl. I wanna take you on tour with me around the tour around the world. You make me wanna jump, dance and skip. I am not rich, but I will give you love till you panic. Every night me come home and give you the stick. Take care of you whenever you're feeling sick. Hey, hey, you are my lady. Hey, hey, now go drive you crazy. Hey, hey, listen me lady. You I wanna bring forth my baby. Skin catch a fire when me see you, girl. You worth more than rubies, diamonds and pearl. Skin catch a fire when me see you, girl. I wanna take you with me and tour around the world. Skin catch a fire when me see you, girl. You worth more than rubies, diamonds and pearl. Skin catch a fire when me see you, girl. Wanna take you with me and tour around the world. First time I saw you, me shout hallelujah. Believe in you just like God the Messiah. Every night before I go to my bed, for you I say a prayer.
It's a big, big world. It's easy to be lost in it. You've always been my girl. I'm not ready to call quit. We can make the sun shine through the moonlight. Make the gray cloud turn to blue skies. I know it's hard, baby, believe that we can go nowhere but up. From here, my dear, we can go nowhere but up. Tell me what we have to fear. We'll take it to the skies, past the moon, to the galaxy. As long as you're with me, baby, honestly, with the strength of our love, yeah, we can go nowhere but up. It's a big, big world. A big, big world. Girl, I'm gonna show you all of it. I'm gonna lace you with pearls. Every ocean we will swim in it. We can make the sun shine through the moonlight. Make the gray cloud turn to blue skies. I know it's hard, but baby, believe that we can go nowhere but up. From here, my dear, we can go nowhere but up. Tell me what we have to feel. Skies past the moon to the galaxy. As long as you're with me, baby, honestly, with the strength of our love, yeah. Nowhere but up. Nowhere but up. Nowhere but up. Nowhere.
Even though we fight like boxers in a ring, everyone wants a new that give the wedding ring. We have the differences, but that no mean a thing. Or when we throw a word like say we dey a sting. Me woulda never put a fist to your face. Love cut deep, you me not disgrace. Did want to stand up in a love, but me fall in a love with you. Girl, I'll fight for you, and I'll fight for you. I will never change, it remain the same. Love you had from the start. It's you and I, baby. It's you and I, girl. Enough time you pack up all your clothes, we go leave, so you can't take no more of all this life feel. But as a man say it hard fi no cheat, but me trying my best fi no get mislead. Me know so you well fed up on me. Love you from me heart, cause you're dead for me. Although me go on by the road, you never change the code. With the sticky, sticky girl, you lock it for me. Girl, I'll fight for you, and I'll fight for you. I will never change, it remain the same. Love you had from the start. It's you and I, baby. It's you and I, girl. Better days will come after the storm. When the night cool, me keep you warm. And me alone have the key to your treasure chest. And for your love, girl, me can't protest. Love you, love you, love you, girl. Love you, love you, love you, girl. Love you, love you, you are the best. Me love you, love you.
His name is Richie Loop.
Love you, love you, girl. Love you.
Fight for love. 15:48 on the clock.
And I'll fight
songs before we take the commercial break.
It's you and I.
Hey, we got Wayne in the building alongside Michaelis with much love. Another little song we've been playing for quite a while now. Oh, this goes by the name of T-Nez. It's called Shoes Lace.
When them say fi air and them see and blind, that means if you live your life and know me and mine. See this something like a million times. Show people so much love and yet them still bad mind. When me see them come around, I just laugh back with them. When me see them, I smile up. A shadow after dark, not daylight. I just can remember even Jesus sleep at some guy boy. Friend, I got you feel life. And them thing them me go to. I feel ask that I fit the lie. Where you want me fi do? Every time man fi walk, them a go on like them want fi not cut me shoes lace. But me just a go on. What if man fi eat and them go on like them want box the food from me plate. But me just a go on. What if my mouth, so me I wonder what them a set up me life but want see me car right off of me drive out. But tell them when man a plan judge a wipe out. Me nah go lie, them real heartless. It's like them can't smile if me not stress. Me know them know say God no sleep nor rest. So them are not clean off yet. Hear me on. When I get to feel alive, and them thing them me go to. I feel ask that I fit the lie. Every time man fi walk, them a go on like them want fi not cut me shoes lace. But me just a go on. What if man fi eat and them go on like them want box the food from me plate. But me just a go on. What if you know it's Katrina representing for Liquor Richard. Me I say, Almighty protect you every day.
Now hear me out, now hear me out. Hey. Now hear me out, now hear me out. Some a lose them ways, so we reroute them. Not turn my back on the real youth. Them all who genuine, we recruit them. And all who a chat, we mute them. Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have pink eye, but them eye red. Now hear me out, now hear me out. Hey. Now hear me out, now hear me out. Some a lose them ways, so we reroute them. Not turn my back on the real youth. Them all who genuine, we recruit them. And all who a chat, we mute them. Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have pink eye, but them eye red. Yeah. Them a follow me, a lead, them a pre and a grudge me for my mates. Them a set trap for me fall in a that but time and a 9th. So all who a wait for me fall pound face, them a got disappointed. Yeah, I don't answer when they then call. I just rise, watch them fall. Who feels it, know who knows it. Feel my tears, them done, so me watch them ball. Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have pink eye, but them eye red. Yeah, them a follow me a lead, them a pre and a grudge me for my mates. Them a set trap for me fall in a that but I'm on a 9th. So all who a wait for me fall pound face, them a got disappointed. Life are the most important with it, my boss. I man pass every obstacle course. None of them no holy, but them a ghost. Them don't write genuine, all of them force. That's the cause we care about friends, we no worry about bends. Line a leak, line one contact lens. That's why I keep my enemies close. Now make them plant me like posts. Yeah. Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have pink eye, but them eye red. Yeah, them a follow me a lead, them a pre and a grudge me for my mates. Them a set trap for me fall in a that but I'm on a 9th. So all who a wait for me fall pound face, them a got disappointed. Them no smoke, them no sick, pink eye, but them eye red. Them a follow me, them a pre and a grudge me for my mates. hear me out, now hear me out. Now hear me out, now hear me out. Some are lose them ways, so we reroute them. Now turn my back on the real youth them. All who genuine, we recruit them. And all who a chat, we mute them. Them no smoke, them no sick, them no have big kind, but them I red. Yeah. Them a follow me, a lead, them a pre and a grudge me for my mate.
Still loving this song from Bugle with our life.
For me fall in a that good time and a 90.
Okay, listen, gonna go for a quick commercial break.
For me fall
on the other side in conversation with Mike Killers. Make sure you don't go nowhere.
Choo-choo, hey, sting, choo-choo, them no say a beer files to bring. Hey, woo, this is Wayne Marshall, woo, Kingston, Jamaica. Come to take the whole entire paper, hotter than the whole entire equator. Hey, woo, keep it like Wayne Marshall said that.
Well, this is Kabaka Pyramid from Kingston, Jamaica. You don't know Baby Rock family. And I mean, it says sting them.com. You don't know that's where it's at. Seen? Accurate.
My special guest Michaelis is live in the building.
Me house and me land and me woman and me pitney they a country. We get some real good vibes and the highest they a country. Michaelis I tell them a country me ting de, country me ting de. Me love Kingston but a country me ting de. Birmingham me ting de, Birmingham me ting de. Love Birmingham man that me say. Michaelis a talking up for the chain up on the big bad show in the afternoon. You know, I say don't move a dial, you know, stay tuned, you know. Boom. A country me say, you know. All who love country and proud of where you come from, say. Ambition. At that me say. You know it's Michaelis. Me say me house and me land and me woman and me picnic in a country. We get some real good vibes and the highest they a country. We love country so me say a country me ting de. Country me ting de. Me love Kingston but a country me ting de. Country me ting de. Country me ting de. Me love country and me not left there. Country me ting de. Country me ting de. Me love Kingston but a country me ting de. Country me ting de. Country me ting de. Neighbor drink out there and that me say. Me love country bad and a country me a tan. Me not afraid to tell nobody say me a real country man. Your brother where you come from put up your hand. Some of country got on and say them a Kingstonian. Them no know Gully Flank and no know Falkland. No know Israel and them no know Junction. No know Canterbury, CLM, Glendevon. No know Black River, South Little London. But a country me ting de. Country me ting de. Me love Kingston but a country me ting de. Country me ting de. Country me ting de. Me love country and me not left there. Country me ting de. Country me ting de. Me love Kingston but a country me ting de. Country me ting de. Country me ting de.
Country me ting de. Well, Birmingham is where his things there. Right here, right now at www.stingthemradio.com.
Freddie McGregor come from country. You see both Aileen Bailey come from country. Yeah. Charlie. And them come from
Michaelis live in the building.
There is someone them come from country. When you see me tell culture, they come from country. Country me ting de, country me ting de. Me love Kingston but a country me ting de. Country me ting de, country me ting de. Me love country and me not left there. Country me ting de, country me ting de. Me love Kingston but a country me ting de. Country me ting de, country me ting de. Neighbor drink out there and that me say. More people their country than town. Country girl them sexy and round. Country me say, who no tell me how me sound. No feel you can take country people fi clown. No, when me there country me mind at ease. Yeah. But I mean inna the hill taking some cool country breeze. Sometimes me cold till it feel like it a freeze. And when the time get hot me go sleep under some trees. That's
crazy.
A country me ting de, country me ting de. Me love Kingston but a country me ting de. Country me ting de, country me ting de.
Couple of minutes after 4 o'clock.
Me not left there. Country me
Wednesday afternoon, the 18th day of June. It is Little Richie's birthday. It is the immortal Wanarassi's birthday.
Drink out there and that me.
And we have live in the building with us Mike Killers.
Nobody say me a real countryman. Your brother where you
go. People talk Mike Killers.
Some of country got on and say them a Kingstonian. Them no know Gully Flank and no know Falkland. No know Israel and them no know Junction. No know Canterbury.
He's not afraid to admit and he's proud that he comes from the country.
Ambition at that me say. Birmingham. What up, what up, what up?
So listen, before we go any further, why is it that most Jamaicans that you talk to say that they come from Kingston?
Because them a Kingston lion.
Stay there, don't say no word.
Man, I real Kingstonian.
Which part of town I come from, King?
How you mean which part of town I man come from? Not town.
So why capital of Kingston?
No Bulby. Yeah, idiot.
Show me tell them a country, me think there. They must think me no know where Kingston there. But some man a tell life on Kingston, them a Kingston liar. Oh, you fi come from country, I say a Kingstonian. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. You a Caledonian, I say a Kingstonian. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. You fi love where you live from, brother, where you come from. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. They life on Kingston, and you don't know the capital. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. Let me pick up all original Kingstonian. From your man a Kingston and brother where you come from. You not fi tell no life, you go impress no man. Say them man a the clock, but them a Kingston liar. They don't know what if valley, jungle na Painland, my valley, Cockburn, Pen, Waterhouse, Juice Land. 85 lane grand spent to a hill and command. Redis Road and Dunkirk, no place to mention. Why you fi come from country, I say a Kingstonian. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. You a Caledonian, I say a Kingstonian. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. You fi love where you live from, brother, where you come from. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. They life on Kingston, and you don't know the capital. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. Me say Kingston nice and Kingston sweet, with some real nice people and bargains cheap. One time violence it take over the street, with one China tank and police in a jeep. Me know Kingston full of niceness and fun. You got some whole heap of dance and some big long gun. Now watching negative is just a nice place to come. Me just love Kingston, still love Kingston. Why you fi come from country, I say a Kingstonian. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. You a Caledonian, I say a Kingstonian. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. You fi love where you live from, brother, where you come from. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. They life on Kingston, and you don't know the capital. You a Kingston liar, Kingston liar. Let me pick up all original Kingstonian. From your man a Kingston and brother, where you come from. You not fi tell no life, you go impress no man.
Why is the Michael still flying about the place, right?
You don't know what if valley, jungle na Painland, my valley, Cockburn, Pen, Waterhouse, Juice Land.
Be proud of where you come from.
Yeah, man, proud. Up.
Serious, I want to say a very good afternoon and a warm welcome to www.stingdemradio.com. Michaelus.
Yes, greetings, Radio Land, as me I say Birmingham, UK and the whole world, because we think to stop at Birmingham and all over the world. So me say, I'm glad to be here, and I'm blessed to be here. And before me go any further, I say happy birthday to you, little Richie. Wish you many more.
That's a holy per minute.
Yeah, with good health.
A holy per years.
With good health, I'm all about that good health and wealth. And trust me, yeah, look proper. How much are you now, Richie?
I am 42 plus 1.
Oh,
yeah.
40 is the new 30. 40 is the new 30. So, them say life begins at 40. No,
I don't feel any older.
I don't know how you feel, but me know you look like 20 something. I don't know, girl talking this. Yes. Me I tell us, because guess what? You see when time we mind relax, we heart clean, and we praise the Almighty, and we don't worry about nothing, we don't stretch over vanity. I have to stay proper, look good. That's what I say. So Birmingham, what up?
Well, listen, Michaelus, I want you to take the word interview right out of your head, because we're not doing no interview.
We are party.
Yeah.
For the big party, we are party for the big party Saturday night coming up, right? We just fly in, and guess what? So right now, mad vibes, me I tell you, I swear. Big up DJ Stalin in the building. The whole of my London people say more tuning in Africa. Me have a whole of Africa tuning right now. Me have Canada tuning. Me have Jamaica tuning. Why me I tell you, say the whole world tuning. I swear.
Seriously. Now listen, throughout the course of the program, I want to find out a little bit more about yourself, where you're coming from, the things that you've done in the business and the things that you wish to achieve in the business, the people that you've worked with. But like I says, forget the word interview, because we ain't do no interviews around here.
No, I know say everything now go done today, because my story long enough. We have to have one week with a story, but anyway, we have to try to fit in all how we can fit in.
Long
right?
time you've been in this, from your first come around as Nigga Mikey. No, before that?
Before that, me used to name Mikey Irie when me just start out.
Okay, tell me about it.
I used to name Mikey Irie, me just start out in my community. First of all, Birmingham, I'm from the Garden Parish of Jamaica, St. Ann, a little district called Liamall, 3 miles out of St. Anne's Bay. And me start out as Mikey Irie, me a DJ from me, I go infant school. Me used to start by making rhymes after the teacher them name.
Okay.
Church. I grew up in a church, so you know, so no convention, concert couldn't keep it without me. Then I think it was 83, when I was a little youth, I won a national DJ contest
Yeah.
DJ, when Barry G, them time Barry G like Jamaican
man,
Super
Barry
Dan.
G.
Yeah, them have a DJ contest in my area, which is Lime Hall. I used to start DJ by the name of Mikey Area. I win the DJ contest, 15 DJs. I win the DJ contest and the guy named...
And how old was you when you won the competition?
I think it was 14, you know. Coming not that old, you know.
No, you look as young as me.
Yeah.
I'm good living.
I'm not that young, because we're not talking about old. See, yeah. So, I win the DJ contest. And then the promoter named Sassafras. Everybody must know Sassafras. Him big in the business. Him print every posters in Kingston and him do enough promotion, Papa San. So him tell me say me win $200 that time, $200 Jamaican enough money and 2 album. And he tell me say me have to come to Kingston the following week because they're gonna change my name because there was a lot of Irie in the business. You have Welton Irie, Clement Irie, Michael Irie.
Yes.
So I'm gonna change my name. So he changed my name, I go Kingston, and he changed my name and give me the name Nigga Mikey. And I bust with that name with the song called Bad Mind I Kill Them, Bad Mind I Kill Them. This one dedicated to all Eden. Bad Mind I Kill Them, Bad Mind I Kill Them. Run around the bend and go tell it to your friend. Cause when you have money, you have a lot of friends. And when your money done, them no know you again. Someone said them are your friend, but them are Eden. Them will sell you out, forget money if you spend. That was my first hit song, little before Gilbert Blow, 1988. Me and Peter Metro. And changed my name, start to tour 89. But what happened after change my name, because when I started to travel outside Jamaica, I realized that the name nigga, it's offensive. So 2000, when I went to Europe for the first time in a little era, the disc jockeys on the radio wouldn't say nigga. And I said, boy, I'm not limit myself. And so I go back to Jamaica and change myself to Michaelos 2000.
Oh, 2000 you changed your name?
To Michaelos. And I said, who you calling nigga? So we're done with that now. And straight Michaelos. So for all those who don't know my history long. So what I say?
For real. Let's play some songs. Michaelos.
Sure. Them not like we, and we no like them neither. Buck at them, dress code. Them a wish me fall. But God I go answer the prayer in a all. Buck at them. Them no like me, and me no like them. Want see me pop down on me life head. Psalms 109 me dash for Eden. Buck at them. World boss, they are jail and still hotter than them. Enough of them who have seen sentence hang. Still a vice tune and he get back in Benz. Buck at them. Mini man get back in visa again. Some say that you apologize to the men them, but killer say him not bow down to none of them. Buck at them. Some run up and down with politician them. Think them a get and out and money fi spend. Cost a living turn up now a be a problem. Bug at them. Crazy Chris a old bug at them. Blood suck at them. Did high but now they get stuck again. Them broke again. Now no look again. And some bad mind grudgeful. Dirty bug at them. Them sit down and fight me. And I said them not like me. And I tried everything in the world where them can do fi spite me. But God bless me, say no man curse. Thank God that God my kill, son of the worst. Now see me walk and pick nobody purse. Now for them want to see me lay down in the earth. But what's in dirty bug at them? Now the dirty bug at them. And some bad man grudgeful dirty bug at the bug at them. Watch it dirty bug at them.
So Michaelos, tell us a little bit about this song, Bugger Them, because we had an X-rated version, which we're not going to mention right now.
Yeah, it's just a slang, you know, it's just my slang where normally, you know, you have haters. So sometimes people are wish bad for you. I know up more, so when I see them, I just say, bugger them. So you can... People they can figure out the next word. You know, this is just the clean word. So we just decided, you know, we start to broadcast it on BBR. Like me the broadcast and say, Michaelos tune into Little Richie show right now. I'm lock down the place, bugger them at the end. So it become a slang and everybody like it. So we decide if we take it and make a song, you know. And we take it, make a song, and you know, it go on a little thing, you know, lack of promotion and thing. But as we say, it's not every song you put out there gonna really make it to the top. So you have to just continue work because Michaelos is an artist with don't stress over not at all in the business. Because as far as how me look my life, me say, what is to be must be, whosoever will
For real,
come.
if the road is set for you, you will travel it.
Alright, so what me do, if me put out a song and I'm going to just put out a next song. Because as long as me live, there'll always be song. And I shall be singing as long as I live. So me just do song, you know? Me just do song, whole heap of song.
So what made you want to become a recording artist and an artist that performs on stage?
No, I didn't, never... Make me become, you know, I never choose music. Music choose me. As me I say, from me a little bit of youth I go infant school, me discover the talent. My father used to play guitar in church, my uncle, them sing in church. So it's a music family coming down. So me have all my little brother them can DJ see me. So me find some me have a talent when I was going to infant school. Coming up to primary school to secondary school. So we just decided to pursue it. No, when they decided to me on a 9 to 5. Straight music. At one point, all my family vexed with me. Because they must say, oh,
get a proper job.
DJ, business, get a proper job. And
hey, listen, my parents used to say that to me as well.
Brother,
now 26 years later, I'm still here and mum still says to me, get a proper job.
All right. But
she loves them, she's proud of me still.
But you know that the teaching, once you don't get up 9 and go to 5 or 8 to 4, them say it's not a proper job. It's a job.
Yeah.
You know, it's a job. Because
but in saying that as well, even with our job, our industry, people feel that you're not supposed to get paid for what we do. Like it's a fun thing.
It's a fun thing.
A fun thing still, but you know, we have bills to pay the same like
right,
everybody
because
else.
the comedian them thing are more fun than our thing, and them get proper pay. So you know, them get a job for me at the hotel in Ocherous, the American hotel in Jamaica Grand now. And we went the first Monday morning, and guess what type of job? We push up tourist luggage. And you see, first Monday morning, me push the first luggage and go in our room, then I sim back again. So everybody vex with me, and me hold it, one pair of shoes, one pants, and so till 1988 when me do my first hit song. Them surprised, my parents, my family, them surprised, and them same one today. Me have to help them same way today. But I just the works, and you know, you have to just pursue what you like.
So you know, when you was younger, growing up in Jamaica, tell us about life in Jamaica as a youth growing up.
Well, me grew
in
up
the country as well.
Yeah, me grew up in a little place called Lime Hall, Centre, and the family never rich and the family never poor. I think was like in between, because for me, poor people they are poor house, you know. We never rich, we never have that, but we grew up and my grandfather was a shoemaker. So the whole family make shoes and stuff like that. I grew up in a church. I go infant school, primary school, secondary school, and all of them things there. And then I start pursue the music. When Yellow Man run Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah, Yellow Man is my idol up till today. Means that an artist will say every artist come and me artist that. I rate every artist, but the man the two artists of the business who me
kind of influenced
me is King Yellowman and Peter Metro.
Yeah,
up till today.
You always talk about Peter Metro.
Peter Metro, because I remember when I have one pair of shoes. When Peter Metro come out watch us and say me have one pair of shoes, can't come out at day, me have to wait till night, the shoes mash up. And Peter Metro come and saw the talent in me and take me to Kingston and record my first hit song, Bad Mind I Kill Him, and my DJ and Metro me there. Until today I'll never forget Peter Metro.
You know something, Michael, so I have to big you up for that, you know.
No, man,
because forget where they're coming from.
If you forget where you come from, you're not gonna know where you're going. So up till today, Peter Metro and Yellow Man, me idol them and me respect them.
Is Peter Metro still about?
Peter Metro still around and good, doing a lot of dubplate in a recording a lot of 45, but he's still active, mashing up the stage shows in Jamaica.
Yellow Man as well, I know
Yellow Man tour 6 months of the year, same way. I rate other artists will come, but Peter Metro, because you see me is a youth loyal, you know. I want to see good people, I want to find good people. Good people are good people, I have to show them respect and love. And that with me, that's why, as me said today, I don't sell my soul, I'm not run down nothing of the business. Who's to ever work with me, I work with them. Little Richie, work with me, so I work with you. I don't stress about who not working with my career. I think about and put my energy with those who are helping me.
We have a thing that we say around here, support for support.
Support for support. That's something thing, I swear.
For real. Alright, let's play some more songs. You sent me this not so long ago. Take a listen.
You know, I mean, just now play that game there. Nah, play it. Just not play, just not play. Nah, go play, just not play, just not play. Me play that me know, and me play loody. Me play baseball, and me play strictly. Me play football, and me play cricket. But me can't play hypocrite. Me just can't play it. Me just can't play it. Hypocrite away me nah go play. We just can't play it, just not play it. Hypocrite away me nah go play. Hey, no fun set them straight, but me sister them a feel. Slaughter you behind your back and come along from the face. I tell the whole world, say my killers are where them rate. I sit down for me name every day. My killers say, see the hypocrite, them a gone day. Come all the by them out already. Hey, with the hypocrite ways and the hypocrite style. See them with the hypocrite profile. Hey, me play that me know, and me play loody. Me play baseball, and me play strictly. Me play football, and me play cricket. But me can't play hypocrite. Me just can't play it. Me just can't play it. Hypocrite away me nah go play. Me just can't play it. Just not play it.
I will not play hypocrite. We achieve the goal. Enough of them go sell them soul. Hey, I'm a one no like me. Me not go skin teeth with them. Me not laugh and talk and drink, eat with them. That's why me stay far from the hypocrite them. Cause them see me, but me never see them. Me play that me know. And me play Ludi, me play baseball, and me play strictly, me play football, and me play cricket, but me can't play hypocrite, me just play.
Little Richie, the real big show in the afternoon.
You hear? Little Richie find out so them a fussy and we find out so them a mean. That's why I'm a doing thing no one no friend from them Richie. Take care of family in money where he spend. Some boy come hype up and no man no mind them. You know this is Michaelis representing for the Big Bad Show in the afternoon live on the record of Birmingham, UK and the whole wide world with Little Richie. Bitchy, ambition.
Yo, me party o'clock, you know. Me nah go lie, you know. Come make up and buy a buckle or anything, you know.
Yo, drink or you can afford, king. Me nah make up and buy no liquor with no man. Man in a dance I take up collection. 5 man I buy 1 buckle of Appleton. I said that them a gun, Dylan. Anytime me touch a club, me a drink what me can afford. Me not tell no lie. Me nah make up and buy. Anytime me touch a club, me a drink what me can afford. Me say me not tell no lie. Both man a make up and buy. If a Guinness me money can buy, well a Guinness me a go drink. And if a Heineken me money can buy, Heineken me a go drink. Some man a red stripe money with Hennessy on their mind. Appleton money with champagne in mind. Stay in a your lane, nobody come join the line. Drink a your money can buy, yo. Anytime me touch a club, me a drink what me can afford. Me not tell no lie, me nah make up and buy. Anytime me touch a club, me a drink what me can afford. Me say me not tell no lie, enough man a make up and buy. At your age, me say man at your age. See them in a dance richness, them a stage. To them want hype and they on front page. Me nah make up and buy no liquor. Oh, 5 man a take up connection. Some man a put a 5, some a put 1 grand. 5 man a buy 1 buckle of Appleton. Not about them a that. Anytime me touch a club, me a drink what me can afford. Me not tell no lie.
I want to take time out to say a very good afternoon to DJ Kudgeman. He don't believe I'm 43, he believes I'm much older. It's because I've been around for so long, you know what I mean? Big up all of my youths them as well.
Yo, me see clear so that him a play catch up. What kind of thing that some
16:21 on the clock, we're live around the world on courtesy of www.stingnerradio.com. So you mentioned Yellowman. Have you ever done any works with Yellowman, any recordings or stage shows and things?
Well, not recording, but you know, perform a lot of stage show. Enough stage show from back in the 90s coming down. Yellowman, all the artists.
And does he know the respect that you have for him?
No, King Yellowman rate me like that, man. Me have a song as a lyrics. It's a song too. When we record for Steely and Cleveland 1989. Yellowman, most DJs talk it when them up on stage and a flap, then talk if you get a forward. Even Yellowman talky. Some man chatty, then chatty, some man chatty. You have some man we live in this country. Every day then get up and them sit down in a posse, laba them out like them damn chicken chassis. All them a do a chat people, girl pitney as a girl get them peace, them tell it to everybody, tell it to Dick, Tom and Harry John, Tom John Brown, and them tell Tony who them. So it's a tune that every artist from Black Orang, Stanta Metro, Peter Metro, Yellowman, Johnny P, enough artists.
Well, you know something, Michaelis, you've mentioned enough names there from way back when. Yeah. But you're not hearing really that much about them no more. Yet Michaelis is still out there doing his thing.
Well, you know what happened? You see, me no, Mr. Man, me no new to the music. Me no new to it, me true to it. And what with me, that's why my slogan is ambition.
Ambition.
Yeah, me is a youth now.
That we say.
Me I tell the world this. Me born August 30th. Me a Virgo. Me no sit down and depend on people and wait on people. Cause them say God help those well himself. Some people sit down and say, oh, me I go get you and me I go bust and me I go make it. But you can't only do it if you put out the effort.
Well, it's just like I says to you off air. Michaelis is one of the artists that I know who puts in the mileage, he puts in the work, he puts in the effort, and you travel all over over the world doing many different things.
Yes, because enough of those artists from back in the days will get enough hit song and them thing there. Them don't spend back the money on themselves. Me come out, me do some shows, me go back to Jamaica, me pay for tour with them and produce myself and produce other artists. Because remember, you know, me say Jigsy King, you know.
Yes, Jigsy King.
I me say Dr. C, you know. I me say President, bro, make him do verse 45. The last artist when me boss is Charlie Blacks. Me record him
and
first.
Charlie Blacks is going on all right.
Yeah,
still.
me record Charlie Blacks first song. Nobody, enough people don't know that Charlie Blacks was sparring me and Charlie Blacks are par up to recently. But you don't know, most of the youth them as them rise up, them feel like say them up there, so them sometimes them want to violate. And me as a man, me is that a yes man. If me see all the foolishness and me a friend Richie, me I go tell you straight up.
Serious?
You could have Richie come over, me I go tell you say Richie, that not right, you know? That's what real friend is for, you know? So there's a lot of artists me produce, cause my label name Champion Label from back in the 90s.
Yeah.
And me produce enough artists. I'm a produce myself, so that's what keep me going. Me now go wait for no producer or reach for no producer advice me.
So basically, what you're saying for us, to us right here, right now, this afternoon is if you don't put in the works don't get done.
No, the works
you got no
not
manager,
done.
you got no producer behind you. You have to get off your butt and go out there and do it.
Cause remember this, you have a lot of new producers now, right? New producers them always know the new artists them and try to work with the new artists them. So a new producer now go quick for Vice Michaelos who in the business long time. Unless I like Jammins, Jeremy and Pentos and them people. So what you have to know, it's simple. Technology. Get a rhythm. Write a song. Put a thing out there because it's even easier now to market a song than back in the days. So me is a youth who love music. Music is part of my life. Right now I tell you say if you want to hurt me, take away music from me. If you can't take away music from me, you can't hurt.
Can't do that. And I know also you're very big on making specials for sound systems.
Yeah man, I do a lot of dub plate for enough sound anytime you want. Whether custom, I'm good pan that. If you want a regular girl tune, but I'm just versatile, just all over the place. You see it? Yeah man, I do my thing. So I'm available for dub plate. But there I have a couple more weeks in England, I'm available for dub plate and jingles. Because I say, you have to put in the work. If you're not campaign, you can't drink champagne. Don't.
Alright, listen to them songs.
Sure. This a musical war.
Little Richie, juggle, 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 juggle.
A war I go go on. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. Tonight, so na the dinner the land. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. Tell her jump and sound fi pack up and go on. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. My sound is bad from the first day we born. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. War. Me say so not tough like a whale. We mash up a sound and chop up a sound, send them to the cemetery. We man in the dance and they chop and up in the party. This a musical war. Let it go. This a musical war. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. Tonight, so na dead inna the land. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. Tell her jump and sound fi pack up and go on. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. My sound is bad from the first day we born. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. War. Then nobody no rough, tough like a whale. We mash up a sound and chop up a sound, send them to the cemetery. We bad in the dance and they chop and up in the party. And why them look where they want, tell them to start. We fully loaded like a gun. Tell her jump and some fi back up and run. Place get slapped wet, dance get shut down. We come, fi slap it down. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. Tonight, so na dead inna the land. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. Tell her jump and sound fi pack up and go on. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. My sound is bad from the first day we born. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. War. We come fi mash up the place and mash up the place and mash up the place and left. We never take a left, we never take a blind, we never take a depth. We don't give a F, who feel dead next. Select a boy a ball and the one a man fix. Double it to them head, a chop off them neck. We run them to wreck, tell them fi stop and check. Fake tune them a make, them no ready yet. They run up now we sound and get them instant death. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. Tonight, sound a dead inna the land. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. Tell her jump and sound fi pack up and go on. War I go go on, me say war I go go on. My sound is bad from the first day we born. War I go go on, crew them. We don't know them, overthrow them. What them read them, we show them. What them know now, we show them. And the music, we grow them. Them who we don't with them. And we now go to them. We bad.
Crazy.
We mad.
Bike Killers.
Mad than him. We mad.
A song that belongs in old Soundman's box. You know what I mean?
War I go on, me say war I go on. Tonight, so not dead in the land. War I go on, me say war I go on. Tell a jump and sound fi pack up and go on. War I go on.
So Bike Killers, you're into the sound clash thing, really?
Yeah, man, then no sound. Me must say me start. Me start the DJ. They were DJ in my bathroom and go out and go in a studio record song. You know, me start from sound system. First of all, me start from a sound system in my parish called Class 1. First, it was a little sound system called One Love. And just by improving more and more, me left from Class 1 Love and go to a sound system called Class 1. Me, Papa San, and Stitchy used to DJ that sound.
Yeah, Papa San and Stitchy now turned Christian.
Alright, 1987, we win the national DJ contest for St. Anne in a Jack Ruby and Orcharius. And after Class 1, I go to Jack Ruby. No, I went to the DJ contest and win it 87. And Jack Ruby hired me to DJ on the sound. So I start DJ against all of the top big DJ in Jamaica.
Okay.
And after Jack Ruby died 89 now, I went to Metro Media and team up with Peter Metro, Tanta Metro, Snaggapus, which is Dickie Rankin, Danny Dredd and Dr. C, and from there and doing it.
Serious. And Tyrone Melody just give you a call and brought back some memories.
Tyrone! Big up yourself, Tyrone. Yeah, man, Tyrone, I remind me, I think it was 1992. Or 93, I don't know, but I'm between them two here. I remember me come to Birmingham with Bass Odyssey, Ninja Ford, Nigga My Kid, which is Michael us now. We call the nigga in a place at Birmingham. So him just remind me, say it was his mother who team up with Joni Star. His mother producer Joni Star and Dennis Star and do the show.
Okay.
So Tyrone, you know I'm going in the thing long time. So if you're not playing no Michael us, you're going to get conk. Alright? So make sure you play me, because you know the thing, you know, say I don't know we are the road. As a matter of fact, me do the song called Do Road. I'm stop the road now because everybody at the road. When I start, I dig up road. You understand me? I say,
I'm sure I got that song to play after the commercial.
I dig up road. And there's a lot of these songs don't get enough promotion because, you know, the politics and the business and things. But me still I do as me say, who's to ever will me come? So who I play me, give thanks and respect. Who not play me, love when you see me. One day I go play me.
Well, you know, Saturday, when you're in the building, it will be Tyrone Melody and Immortal Sound, so you can link him up then.
Yeah, man, I'm a general from a long time, you know. Tyrone, want 100 pounds?
You see it.
You man is lion on. It is, sting them.
Hey, me a send a man them for no say a gauge represent and this a true. We no care you are who. We no afraid of no crew. Nobody come tell Sting them FN fi play no man tune. Bang, 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 bang.
I am GT Taylor, the dancehall master. Hey, listen to Little Richie with a real big show, live from Birmingham, UK, for authentic reggae. GT Taylor, the dancehall master, says so.
Dress code. Full time now, for we go take the road. Some a bird, no, some a car heavy load. One thing me know say, mad thing we have to do road. Food have to eat, so we have to do road. Money have to make, so we have to do road. Dress code, good. Step on bad mind and go do road. Me say good. Fight them a fight, but we have to do road. Rise up this morning, link up dress code. Tell him to line up, how we have to go the road. Reach a Spanish Town and take the toll road. Drop out Pan Ferry, it's Spanish Town road. So they give us some CD and Clip Park road. Link the CD man, them a Constant Spring road. Circle Exodus, up a Radius road. Then go link Isla Bashafa, go Lines road and just a do road. Food have to eat, so we have to do road. Money have to make, so we have to do road. Dress code, that's what I'm talking about. Step on bad mind and go do road. Me say good. Fight them a fight, but we have to do road. Do all things that go, you have to know the road code. Can't this any man out the road. Man I said peanut food, cat back juice out the road. Enough hot girl when we
We see police a run down, taxi man out the road. Cost of living get so high, people can't afford. Man a do anything out the road. Scammers and cash gold man. Everybody come and that's a do road. Food have to eat, so we have to do road.
In conversation with Mike Killers, tell us a little bit about this song, Do Road.
Do road, that's me I say a pure reality me talk. Don't. So, through me as a youth, when I get up a morning time, pray and read my Bible and do some bumps and pick up my virgin, like one virgin just scored, and we circle every studio, we circle every radio station. Because me a boy, me the ramping or Richie, me buy me CD them, you know. Buy me CD, when me do a song for a producer, you know, me go and get it mixed. Or sometimes me go mix it myself. Me no say I wait for a producer if I go link this jockey. When me get me song, me just buy me CD them and print up me CD and do road. Yes, I say so. I suck on the song come out.
Well, I know that you get a lot of love from Ira FM in Jamaica.
Straight man, there's some this jockey when I left me out period. They have GT Taylor.
Yeah man, you know GT my brother.
Yeah, people like you and GT Taylor and Ran Mushet, DJ Matrix, Big A, Mama Ellis, keep me in the business plus other this jockey in other countries and people. As me I say, me just focus on the people who give me the strength because you see if you focus on the people who not giving the strength to get disencouraged.
For real.
Because I have a lot of friends in the business where give up, you know, real talented artists will give up, you know, because the man there where them say art now play him. So him feel like him not going on. Music is bigger than me and you. You understand? So when one door closed, many open. And there's a lot of songs big in Jamaica and I don't know it out of Jamaica. You have songs where big in other countries and not bigger Jamaica.
Because
so you just have to put in the work.
You've recently recorded with an Italian DJ, which we're not going to play just yet. We'll play after 5 o'clock. So we'll talk about it then. But we must big up DJ Tubet.
Yeah, DJ Tubet, you know, Italian DJ, man, just do a combination. The video just shot it, I go mad. Big up yourself, Italy! I'm coming soon. It's Michaelos. Yo,
yeah,
Tubet.
That's straight Italy. Watch out, Michaelos is coming. So tell us, we've got a song here, right, that we're going to play called Corrupt Police. Tell us about this song before we play it.
Yeah, this song, I want to tell you, say, I'm a big song right now in Zimbabwe. I swear, Africa, South Africa, Zimbabwe. That song here, I never know, say, the corrupt police. I know it's a worldwide thing, but I never know, say, it affect them places so much. That is when the song released. I recorded from a producer out of Italy, in Switzerland, called Weedy G. Really miss call the big vibes with them, and I tell you, say, trust me. The song come about which by the EPA police killing in Jamaica when me born and grow up. Every week, every night I watch the news.
Sad.
It's a different thing about police killing. Sometimes 4, 5, 6 police killing for the week. So I said then, why all the while police are killing so much people? Because I know say in America and in places which is bigger country, you find 1, 2 killing, but not like that. So I saw come the song come out and next police always are involved in a corruption. So I saw come up with the song. I'm record the song. You get some play in Jamaica, but me I tell you say Zimbabwe and Switzerland every day me get a different contact from Zimbabwe. Sound man them want it on dub play. Never knew it was so big down there. So big up Zimbabwe, big up South Africa, Nigeria and the whole of Africa, the whole continent. So that's how corrupt police a real thing. People listen to it, a serious thing. Fall it on.
Yeah, we did G. You know, some tired of the police killing and corruption are going to Jamaica. You know, say Michael Sam come for talk me mind, you know. Yeah, I'm a Reagan. Corrupt police me like the corrupt police. Gunman police me like the gunman police. Badman police me like the badman police. Come for protect and serve, but enough of them are thief. Good police, big up all good police. Real police, big up all real police. Decent police, big up decent police. Come for protect and serve, but enough of them are base. Some of the police them even worse than gunman. Cause them a take the ghetto here if it don't plan. You say them a come you don't know say them don't plan tonight. Them a go kill a deaf or a dumb man. Them go down the road and then go shot up by run. Say a shoot out and take evasive action and then recover a 9mm pistol. Little after that you repair the station. One man was shot and killed by the police this morning. The police state that 2 men was walking along Penn Road in Rosetown when one of the men opened fire at the police. The police returning the fire, killing one man on the spot. A semi-automatic pistol and 9 rounds of ammunition was taken from a dead man's body. The people them a ball out justice. Corrupt police me like the corrupt police. Gunman police me like the gunman police.
Bad mind police, me like the bad mind police. Come fi protect and serve, but enough of them a thief. Good police, pick up all good police. Real police, pick up all real police. Decent police, pick up decent police. Come fi protect and serve, but enough of them a base. So nothing of us because I walk him I come from. Innocent youth next door to Christian. Mama want a liar, figure sit down pon the case. But a pocket a malfunction. Uncle Granny know which bus we jump on. He go find a hope your man will live down a junction. Sing to Sankey, B2 jump on. Hubakaba, habakaba, science function. Brabrakadabra, lick the jump on. 2 weeks later, out a tree him jump from. Hang like a dog, you know see how in tongue long. Has a justice function, me say. Corrupt police me like the corrupt police. Gunman police me like the gunman police. Bad man police me like the bad man police. Some fi protect and serve, but enough of them a thief. Good police, big up all good police. Real police, big up all real police.
Michaelis live in the building, my special guest.
Some fi protect and serve, but enough of them a thief.
Wow.
Yeah, Johnny, I'm good youth, you know. And the police them come around and kill off the youth, you know. Talk about the youth have gun and the youth never have no gun. You saw the police them wicked Jamaica.
It's a serious song.
See, I saw them kill the little youth when they talk about the youth have gun and put gun for
So
them.
seriously now, how Jamaica stay at the moment? Has the violence calmed down a little bit?
Well, you know, calm, you know, cause this minute they calm down and next minute they rise up. But as me I say, with my people, them just have to know themselves. Cause Marcus Garvey said, no, we're not going to know ourselves until them back against the wall.
So what would you say, Michaelis, and I can talk to you truly about it because it's your homeland, what is the major problem in Jamaica?
Alright, me tell them this, and me nah stop say it until my breath leave my body. I swear, what a caused the killing in a Jamaica, me keep on I say this, and our leaders them nah listen, and them too educated for know what go on. If them put 1,000 police on every street corner in a Jamaica, crime gonna still there and it gonna more up. You know why? Bad mind a mash up Jamaica. Bad mind a cause the problem. Most of the killing is envy. May I tell you that most of the killing, a man say a man will make a thing, a man fly out and come a foreign and make $2, come back down by a little car, taxi man get grudgeful and bad mind that. May I tell you that a man not stop say that. And that are the problem. Apart from the politician, them corrupt it from early part. Cause remember, you know, people the politician them can do so much, you know. We have to look at ourselves and rise up against them, you know. Looking at the Middle East, so people them rise up against them leaders. See, but that's just bad mind, and everybody want to be the Don. Everybody want to be the top man of Jamaica. That a cause it, that. Because you have some people at Jamaica who just look for you because you look clean and dress good. And just hate you and envy you. That is bad mind. Where you are, whatever you want to call it, haters or what is bad mind. And I tell them from 1989, me see it. And me sing my first hit song was a song. Play that song next to me. Cause that song, as me I tell you, a serious thing. And that cause a problem at Jamaica and people killing.
Which song you want?
Bad mind I kill them. More people remember this. That was my first hit song. Cause from them time me see it. So me keep on saying to my people, them say rise up, rise up, rise up. Cause if we don't rise up and looking at ourselves, you know, it a go bitter. You understand me? I say, and that are the problem, Dada. So as me I say, we have to just clean up our heart and looking at ourselves and love one another. Nobody grudge a man because him buy a little car or him make $2. Cause them think that at the end of the day, all them thing there I got just memories. Cause no man no care them riches with them. You understand me?
So tell us, how can we cure the problem? Is there a cure for the problem?
The cure for the problem is every individual in Jamaica, every individual have to looking at themselves, clean up them heart and learn for love. Because remember, love is the answer, you know. Bob Marley tell him, you know, one love, you know, love. There's nothing. Love and understanding. So as long as you have love in your heart, you know, there's no way you're gonna say Little Richie like the place and envy me, you know. You go give him the strength, don't. So that's all I can say. Apart from the politician and the corrupt Jamaica with them politics and them thing, that the bad mind thing I mash up Jamaica, I not stop say that, I swear. Cause me down there and me see it.
So let me ask you a question now, see if you can answer it for me. If you was a Prime Minister of Jamaica, what would be the first thing that you would do?
Well, if me was a Prime Minister of Jamaica, I'd try. Cause you can't, everybody now go about make the poor class of people them have something for do. Cause remember, you know, that we are human beings. When you get up every day and hungry or kill, you know, and you know, and you don't know where your next meal come from, you know, and you see a youth a go to bed hungry, and you see a man a drive up in big F-150 or whatever in range or whatever and a bling, you know. The only thing that come in your intention, you know, is to be like that man or go take what I'm having, you know. So the only thing can stop now, you have to definitely have love in your heart for no go that way there. So you see, as long as them provide for the people them and stop them up the money and them thing that every youth can hold the money on the weekend time come, you say have
have a job and something. That you cut it down, you know. Because me I say most of it is because of envy and greed, and people don't have it, and them say next man is that thing and they want to take it. And that cause it. That's why even the scamming thing so big. Cause man down there, man not take no hungry. So man I go do what them have to do. So you see if people have job and things to do, the crime only so prevalent in Jamaica. So I say
and of course music is a big escape for
and music
the young
is a big escape, but they must fight it now because music is the only thing right now Jamaica have left. And with the clamping down upon the time and all them something there and
yeah, because what is it now, like about 3 o'clock in the morning you have to lock off the sound, something
2 o'clock and sometimes I'm not sure the thing corrupt too, because even some of my police them, because more time then get 2 o'clock and police will come and they will get till 3, but they want a food same way, you have to give them an extra food.
Serious?
You saw me I say, so that me I talk with a passion, you know, I love Jamaica, you know. Me I travel out of Jamaica from 1987 back and forth all over the world, you know. And me never choose to stay nowhere else, you know. You understand? So I love the place, but when I there at Jamaica and see me go out at night time and see sometimes me have to, when me drive going, me have to go in my yard back way or park in my car, so I don't like that. So I just want to plead to the government of Jamaica and the people them start clean up. And nice island, you know.
Yes, man.
Nice island, you know. That's why I say I love Jamaica. So as me I say, government I just provide for the people them start and stop them off the money and start fly with it. And that's what I think, and you know things are better.
Alright, let me play the song.
Wanna see all of the bad-minded people them who know how to people surviving alive. Who know better hold them, who know head and walk wide. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. This one dedicated to all Eden. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. Just trying to be a big one, but bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. This one dedicated to all Eden. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. Tell Tony big one, but tell Glenn. So when you have money, you have a lot of friend. And when your money done and them no know you again. Someone say them are your friend, but them are Eden. Say them will sell you out to get money if you spend. Me nah go a foreign and come home and shop me prefer than a Jamaican and me one black shot. And I'm so surprised still me have E-cup. Say this a Peter Mitch alongside my kilos. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. This one dedicated to all Eden. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. Tell Shana K if we go and go tell Gwen. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. This one dedicated to all Eden. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. Run around the bed and go tell it to your friends. Some little bad-minded people at school fill us rap. So we go to New York and take laugh we come back. No matter about my kilos, up there you sell crack. At about Peter Metro lock up in a cell black. But I know after we go big, and no kill we go chop. We no go sell coke and we no go sell crack. We go for DJ if we put some food in our pass. So tell you all of them, come kiss me later. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. This one dedicated to all Eden. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. Tell Shana K if we go and go tell Gwen. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. This one dedicated to all Eden.
Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them.
Tell Tony if we go and go tell Glenn. Well if you
I know your friend just pretend like you're dead. You hear how much remarks them pass over your head. Them murder make a Simpson Durst man and panded. Now left myself careless. So then come blow me head. Every day them get up and them no stop watch me. I chat and them attack and them a criticize me. No care what them a do, me say them can't stop me. Because me a God bless you to run the country.
Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. This one dedicated to all Eden. Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them. Run around the bed.
Bad mind I kill them.
Bad mind I kill them, bad mind I kill them.
Hey, also Michaelis, it's not just in Jamaica, bad mind, it's all
everywhere.
over the world.
No man, bad mind take plenty, you know. Yeah man, they're everywhere, you know, but me right now, I just want to secure my little island and my love. For real. And for the people, you just come together, man. Because Marcus Garvey say, we're not going to yourself until you're back against the wall.
Serious. And like I said, Jamaica is such a beautiful place.
Beautiful. I wouldn't say beautiful. Beautiful. I swear, you know. Big up the whole of London. You listen to me, Kevin Laughlin Massive. Big up Foley and me saying in Birmingham. Now. Watch it in the youth. Big up on yourself. Seeing big up my Roddy up here. From England, yeah, London, DJ Solid in the place with the youth and left behind a good youth. So
for real,
man. We don't meet real people. You stick with the real people. Because me say, me not for the hype, you know. Me not for the hype. Me born the hype.
No, well, listen, stay there.
Watch out, Little Richie. Me could tell them say, hype and broke. Me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke. Me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke. The Shaki hype and broke. They fly go yard and can't fly back up. Hype and broke. Me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke. The Shaki hype and broke. Hype and broke. Me say them hype and broke. Now watch you back at NSA when them a boss. You know say Michaelis represent for Little Richie. You know what I say? With a real big show. Birmingham we say non-stop reggae music. Ambition.
We don't watch hype. We never judge a book by the cover. I read it. So Freddy Cougar, tell them this. Now watch the hype. don't watch it hype. No watch it hype, you know watch it hype. No watch it hype, burn to no watch it hype. Enough of them a hype and them fruits can't ripe. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. They fly come a yard and can't fly back up. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Now watch it back at NSC, where them a boss. I know everything with glitter is cool. True for hype, enough for sell them soul. Can't buy gas and they can't be a tool. And I'm a in a dance with 20 mil full drop the bass. Hype and broke pocket no gree. Walk round in a dance, drink out man NSC. I go like say at them a spend the money, but them broke like a dog and a dead for hungry, not British. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. They fly come a yard and can't fly back up. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Now watch it back at NSC, where them a bus. Enough of them a hype and then don't have nothing. Bad mind grudge shoulder, we kill up for you something. All boss is slave big time, Ali button work for nothing, hype over people something. Hype for 3 months and I hype that. True me no frightened for them no like that. So me sing the big song and them a fight that. But them hype and broke, me realize that. Wow! Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them
hype and broke.
They fly come a yard and can't fly back up. Hype and broke.
Yo, Michael, that's a true song still. Boy, run it back one more time.
Run it back. We never judge a book by the
no peeps out there. Hype and they what?
Broke
like what?
Tell them this. Now watch it hype, don't watch it hype. Now watch it hype, you know watch it hype. Now watch it hype, burn to now watch it hype. Enough of them a hype and them fruits can't ripe. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. They fly come a yard and can't fly back up. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Now watch it back at NSC, where them a boss. I know everything with glitter is cool. True for hype, enough for sell them school. Can't buy gas and they can't be a tool. And I'm a in a dance with empty bill full. Drop the bass, hype and broke pocket no gree. Walk round in a dance, drink out man NSC. I go like say at them a spend the money, but them broke like a dog and a dead for hungry, not British. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. They fly come a yard and can't fly back up. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Hype and broke, me say them hype and broke. Now watch it back at NSC.
Well, I say some of them flossing in the dance and don't feed the youths.
No.
Terrible thing.
Can't a floss and a youth can't go to school. Is that a good look? But no one for nothing hype over people something.
Hey, pick up my friend Jenny P live in the building. Why you said Jenny?
Jenny P!
Come say hello.
Yes, big up Little Richie each and every time. Michael is, yes, enough respect, you don't know.
And you see, anytime it's my birthday, this young lady has to come and
I want to tell you this. When anybody me I drive with anybody, a peer breaks me out, me coward. Especially female. And from she pick me up, I swear, a gangster driver.
Seriously,
Jenny P, big up herself. Gangster driver, I swear.
We have to big up Jenny P.
It's the first lady me see a driver and she no hook up on her steering. She just stands so and I shot it.
She knows the yard style, trust me.
Then she know she a Jamaican, you know.
That's some serious road she travel.
Yeah, man, big up herself. Jenny P! The man them cup of tea. You see me?
For real.
Yeah, hype and broke, man. This song, you know, the video went #1 at Jamaica. Thank God for the people who work with it. And the video, a proper video, the song went #1. Enough places it create a waves. And because them say me I face the artist, you know. Them say me face it because
no, you talk the truth.
Then the truth. Then yeah. Then if you in a dance, everybody free for do what they want to do. But at the end of the day, me say act your wage. Act your wage. Old people you say in your basket where you can reach. You can't work £200 a week and want to spend $400. You're not gonna reach.
So you don't
anywhere.
say act your age, act
your wage. Yeah, you're not gonna reach
okay.
anywhere in life. So you have enough man come a dance and then put on this. As me say, don't try to look rich. Don't get broke. Try to look rich. At your wage. Enough people come a dance, then buy this bag of champagne. Nothing wrong with spending and buy a bag of champagne. But when you buy a bag of champagne, make sure you say your bills pay. And your youth go to school.
For real.
You know, make sense in a dance, I drink 8 bottle of champagne and Hennessy and bag of something. And then when dance on the outer door, boom, drive. And landlord come and knock up your we have to know ourselves and knock you off the rent. That not look good. That's why I say hype and broke. Enough people afraid of that song, yeah.
Enough people afraid that because when they drop, some people feel guilty. But a reality,
I feel it, man.
Then a reality. When I sing reality, it's just that singing about people hungry and starve and suffer. You know, it's out there in your face every day. Everything we see in front of you is reality. So we sing about it. And I come to think about it. At England, me there when the song come to me. 2011, me in a club in London. And me see some man wait up on another with champagne and bag or something. Me I said to myself, everybody knows say after September the 11th, things get away and clamp down and people start get wise up. So
serious.
Me I said to my brother and said, John was star. Me never know same thing I still go on in England. And them I said to me, say, they don't know say that you then the blue shot. And your friend him borrow £100 from since I have to come buy champagne. And me I said, blow wow. I saw them on the hype and broke and my brother say, lyrics that you know. And the night me go, me couldn't sleep and me put it together and a big song.
So tell me how you come about your lyrics. Is it through what you see on the road or
what me see,
personal experiences as well?
Personal experience, things when me see, things when me know happen to other people, and sometimes you can just imagine things, you know. But me as a man, as a talk, me just call me.
But you're not afraid to touch on any subject, are you?
No, the only thing me not sing about, I don't sing about violence. I don't sing about gun song and killing people. Me not sing about them, but me sing about girls. Me sing about reality. Me sing something with them say not fit for your play for ladies, but me not but come remember, you know, music is variety, you know. And if you play, if you get up this morning and I play music, you go play music in your house and you go play PA culture song along. Down somewhere down the line, I go say, oh, I switch to something else. So if you just imagine if you never have different type of music, it's a bored. That's why life is nice. The good thing about life, some are rich, some poor, some happy, some sad, some, you understand, this minute you're happy, next minute you're sad. So that's what life is, a variety. That's what make up life.
Why do you think Michaelis reggae music and dancehall in particular has got so many songs with violence involved? Not all of them, because I love my dancehall music, but we're talking truths now.
Yeah, most of the songs them where you say come with violence is the youth them where come from like Garrison, where them live what them.
So they're talking what they see.
They're talking what they say. Yeah, not every youth from the Garrison still, but as me I say, life is one big road with a lot of signs. So some people choose which road them choose to go. Some people say positive things and I get to see them, you know, and sing positive, and some say mostly negative and then sing negative. Me when say me growing up, because you know Garrison, me just growing up community. So, I don't know about clip and extra clip and sing. I don't know about them and something there. You understand? I know if you sing about reality and some things when I say. Because I like that part. Can you see me? As long as me, as much as I see me in the business long time, I party and I go out. Because you see, as an artist, if I don't go out, you're not going to know what's going on.
Man,
so you have to go out. Yeah, you have to go out in a party and see what I go on and say, wow. And I really remember shape place other slang you go on. Because if you lay back and stay home, you know, it's like you lost. You drop out of the business. That's what happened to most of the artists from the 80s. Them feel say, boy, I'm a big man, I can't go top in a dance. Nah, man, me do road, man.
Change.
Yeah. Yo, when me in the dance, come like me at 15, 16, 17. Why am I go the road and family? Then that I say, you mean the outdated thing, you know, straight jeans and bag of sitting and pointed mouth and a different thing. Yo, let me tell you something. Life is great. You just life is what you make it. You have to just live life to the fullest. Cause at the end of the day, we don't go know one life. You know, no man never did and come back and tell you what happened after that.
Serious thing.
So I just live my life and enjoy myself and look Richie.
So we just touched on some of the youngsters. What are the youngsters in the business that you kind of watching right now?
No, I'm watching. Me not really watch them, you know. Me just pre them thing and you say, you see busy. You see assassin. From day when me I tell them say from 2000 are the two baddest artists when me see come out, apart from Cartel, where Cartel bad and lyrical, but me I tell you about me. Personally busy and assassin. Me say this everywhere me go without any apology. Them two artists them rate as DJ.
I would agree.
Yeah, man. Well, lyrical is just because them youth, you know, to have a controversial thing go on over them, so people overlook them. I know people have it kill this hype on them something and bag or something, but busy assassin. Big up the world boss. See me when we say lyrically equip. Sorry for what happened to him, but you know, I saw it go a road a life, you know, and. For the younger youth, them after them right now, the youth what them are call Chronics.
Yes.
That youth, they're positive. Me like him direction. Me don't go wish him they just come off and IRS come and just DJ upon sound system at Jamaica for some of the people. Because not everybody can afford band. And him no DJ upon sound system. So a little man who have him 100,000 want to keep a Chronics. and on go sound system him can't afford him. Now I get Chronics because him a carry band. Me wish him could have take it back on the natural.
I hear what you're saying.
Yeah, I just wish, you know, him could have. I wish him can do it. You know, if you drop your band, but Jamaica like a poor man who keep a dance. Pass through and chop two late pan two song.
So what you're saying, basically, the poor people can't afford.
No, go can't afford. Them Billy, them buy your music. So I just disappoint with him for no say him no want DJ.
You know something, Michaelis, in all seriousness, I never really thought of that, you know.
Yeah, man.
You brought something new to me because I'm all for artists working with live bands and these kind of things, but you've just thrown a totally different light on something for me.
Yeah,
so
because them
I
say,
understand what you're saying.
yeah, them
still.
say him not really work on sound system in Jamaica. That's why I think that's the reason why I don't do a lot of shows in Jamaica like that.
But over Europe is coming.
No, man, proper. It's the right thing. It's the right word, you know, with the band. But for the poor people, then we are buy your music and support you. Yeah.
Saturday, August 9, Chronics, the Dread and Terrible tour.
Yeah,
so
big up Chronics. Good dude. My friend's son.
Tower Ballroom, yeah.
My friend's son, Chronicle. In the name of the Lord. Yeah, that's Chronicle's son, you know.
We used to sell like Barrington Lee.
Right, so big up person. You name Alkaline. He might do him thing. You know, but me more lean to the. Well, I feel this is that, you know. Me respond see man eyeball. Alkaline, call him Alkaline if you want blind a film thing. He might do him thing, him sing some good songs.
But you say that, Michaelis, but what about the youths that are looking up to him and thinking that they can go and copy and do them things as well? It's not a good look.
It's not a good look, but at the end of the day, me can't stop them.
For real.
So him, if you know what him a do, I know some have influence
for the youth. We've had a whole heap of things in the dancehall world, the
controversial,
tattoos and these kind of things, and the tattooing or so-called tattooing of the eyeballs. What's gonna be next?
Why me want to say it, you know, but me afraid to say it over the year. But remember, me tell you, cause some things when me see a go on a dance, cause me say an artist come on stage with in a skirt.
No.
Down at Jamaica. So me know what next.
Them things really going on.
Yeah, me know what next. But you read between the line. Because some things are going on nowadays. Me know what next. I'm a vex. That's why I kill us so cross.
Angry at me.
Yeah, because you know dancehall we no cross certain line.
Serious.
In a dancehall from me start till now, me know say dancehall we never cross certain line. But why I get away a different generation and me don't know.
And you love the dancehall vibe, don't you? You love getting out there and performing on stage.
Yeah, man, me love it, man. Love it. I man say Little Richie and music will keep me today, you know. Cause me go through a lot in my life, you know, with both friends and family where if it never music, me wouldn't be here today. But the love of music keep me strong. I swear, as me say, if you want to hurt me, take away music. If you don't take away music, there's nothing you can do for hurt me.
No one can't take music from you, you mad?
Alright.
Crazy.
Swear.
Listen, we're going to go for a commercial break, and on the other side, we always play. You know, like how Ron Machette does his Bob Marley record of the day?
Yeah,
we do it right
sting them fans. Radio Land, we'll be right back. Don't move it. Dial.
Thing.com. Everybody make we enjoy yourself. Stay in your lane and enjoy yourself. Mile and smooth and enjoy yourself. Do the fix it and enjoy yourself. It's Harry Tadler. Remember the whole of Birmingham. And we turn it up.
It's happening Saturday, June 21. It's Little Richie's birthday party at Cubs Bar, where we have 8 great artists live on stage. Flying into Birmingham, UK for the first time from out of Jamaica, Michaelis alongside Contractor. From out of London will be Kareem Shabazz and Mira. From Birmingham, Dennis Lloyd, Papa Biggie, Vibrock, and Italo Scarcha, Mother Earth. Music by Immortal Sound, JJ Sound, Dr. Ranks plus friends from around the globe. Hosted by the award-winning Jacka Melody. It's £10 straight before 12. Doors open from 10 till 4 a.m. It's Little Richie's birthday party, June 21 at Cubs Bar, 127 Sherlock Street, Birmingham City Centre. Look forward to seeing you all there, and my thanks in advance for your support.
Look at the truth, life is within. Rastafari never cheat, I'll never sin. I'll never lose, I'll always win. I'll always try it and never lean. I win some more life every time you see it. Stingdom.com. Ash!
Hey, it's just after 5 o'clock, so we know what time it is.
I got tired to see me face.
Reggae Radio.
Turn up your radio. It is, of course, time for our selected Bob Marley and the Wailers record of the day, as chosen by Michaelis.
Reggae Radio.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. One love. Hear the children crying. One heart. Saying, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. One love. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just a Savior's own belief. One love. What about a one heart? What about let's get together and feel alright? As it was in the beginning. One love. So shall it be in the end. One heart. Alright. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. One more thing. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. One love. So when the man comes, there will be no doom. One soul. Have pity on those whose chances grow thin. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. Saying, one love. What about the one heart? What about the let's?
As we always do around this time on a Monday and a Wednesday evening, just after 5 o'clock, we salute the king of reggae music, the legend that he is. I selected Bob Marley and the Wailers record of the day, as chosen by Michaelis. Michaelis, a simple song, but an effective song. Why did you choose that particular track?
Because that's what the world needs today. Simple, just LOVE, forward, and we're good. All them war going on in the Middle East and them religious war and political war, if we just have love, that just check your levels. If no war and no killing ever go on in the world, and people can just, you can even sleep outside if you want to sleep outside. How nice would it be?
Really,
you know,
really
one love Bob
nice,
Marley,
you know
song
what I
of the
mean?
century. Maddest thing, a real thing, you know.
Okay, we talked earlier on about GT Taylor. Now you know GT Taylor is a friend of mine, and I love and rate him because he's always got time for me. You know what I mean? You do a show. I think it's most years, if not every year.
25th of December every year. Yeah, man. Christmas extravaganza. It's, I think this year gonna be the 15th or the 14th year, and from the very day it start from scratch. Michaelis been working on that show, me and Beanie Man. That's what you call loyalty. We'll never miss a year. No matter where me do over the world, when you come on to December, I go back down for GT show. In case you don't know why me and GT so close, GT is a disc jockey like this. From day one, him ever give me strength. All when nobody else now play me. When you listen to GT Taylor program, you must hear if I am a jingles with Michaelis. Him ever play a song with me, and I'm a real friend. We's that radio friend. We is real friend. So him did it for me thick and thin. Him always a play me. So salute GT Taylor from St. Elizabeth, Black River. Remember Christmas extravaganza December 25th. I go mad and mean this year, you know. Real youth. I'm a brother, my father, my uncle.
What I do is I listen to GT Taylor, and you see I pick up on some of his links. You know what I mean? Because he does a lot of interviews with
a lot of
artists that are just coming forward.
Right.
So I listen to GT, and GT will say to me, Richie, watch the artist there. If you could give me little helps, you know what I mean? It's all good. So
no man, so much artists GT bus coming from 92. They hire from 91, I think, and so many artists from Bounty Killer coming down. Elephant Man, so much artists GT have play a great part of them career. And we now go wait till him pass to big him up. Big up yourself, GT Taylor. You're a real general.
For real.
A legend.
Real. And of course GT has made rhythms as well, which you've
produced, man.
You've been on.
Yeah.
Okay, listen, I'm gonna play you a GT Taylor rhythm, but my way.
I am GT Taylor, the dancehall master. Hey, listen to Little Richie with a real big show, live from Birmingham, UK, for authentic reggae. GT Taylor, the dancehall master, says so.
Michaelis represent for Little Richie. Oh, God bless, no man curse. Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall Little Richie fear? When the enemies rise up against me, they shall stumble and fall. I we shall kick them like a ball. Run the rhythm, Jah never fail. Jah, deliver me from my enemies, oh my God. Defend Little Richie from those who rise up against him. Deliver we from the workers of iniquity and save we from bloodthirsty men. Liquor rich and never yet fail. No. Liquor rich and never yet fail. No. And when your mother, your father, your sister, your brother forsake you, never yet fail. No. And when your sister, your brother, your uncle, and your auntie forsake you, him never yet fail. No. Bible said the arms of flesh will feel you. So no worry when you see them no hear you. No surprise if you see them a trail you. Go a jail and them no come bail you. Take a rich one man we bow down to. As we wake at him we talk to. Ask him for guide and protect we every step of the way and protect we from the evil. Take a rich never yet fail. No. Rich never yet fail. No. And when the police and the soldiers and the deacon and the pastor forsake you, him never yet fail. No. And when your mother, your father, your sister, your brother forsake you, him never yet fail. No.
It's called a rocking rhythm.
They call upon your name. You like every love in you alone. From Canada, US, England, Japan, straight back down to Spain. Never do anything without you. Me feel proud singing about you. As me wake every morning me shout you. Little Richie, never yet doubt you. No, Richie never yet fail. No.
Mad, you see when I first heard this song, Michaelis, I loved it so much. I said, Michaelis, what you saying, mate?
Yeah, man, John never fail.
No. I know the mother you find.
Next figure down through the post, what did I have? A special.
Yeah, man, you know, we can't live without the Almighty, so that's how the song come out, you know. John never fail, you see it?
So listen, I'm gonna play you a song now, because this is a link with you and Italy.
Yeah.
So tell us about the link with you in Italy.
DJ Tubet, big up yourself. I want to tell you, so that's why you say you have to continue work and believe in yourself, because this brother from Italy linked one day on Facebook and said, boy, him like my work, him been listening to me and he like my style, and him passion and his dream is to do a song with a Jamaican artist. When I say Jamaican artist, and him choose me, and him asks the arrangement and how it will go, and I tell him what I go on, and in space of a week the rhythm was a lick. In space of 2 weeks my part was recorded and sent to him.
So who built the rhythm? He built the rhythm?
Rhythm was built in Jamaica. We come up with
a Jamaica rhythm still?
Him say must choose the idea of the topic when we want. Me choose the idea, me get a musician, we lick the rhythm, put the song together, he's do his part in Italy, send back to Jamaica, we mix it. Song I get crazy airplay on the radio Jamaica, and I get good review in Italy, enough airplay. The video just been shot in London, and it's in the editing stage. So big up yourself to bed. That's why you have to continue work.
For real.
Because when a man there so don't like your work, a man over there so like your work.
So this is your new song. This is a song that you're pushing through at the moment.
Yeah, this is the latest. I want to say I have enough song I push. Me have a next song called Girl Dash Your Road I push. Me have that. Me have a song on GT rhythm name Gideon. We just have.
Well, you know what? We'll try and squeeze them in before we go, because we're here till 6 o'clock.
Yeah, me have a million songs.
On a more serious point now, yeah, it's been brought to my attention that some people don't really appreciate reggae music coming from different parts of the world, and these kind of things, you know what I mean? It's been brought to my attention that some people feel that reggae music is Jamaican and should stay Jamaican. What are your views on that?
One time, back in the 80s, 90s, if you now come out a yard, you don't get that respect. Now, the thing global now, social media and technology and all them thing. Anyway, you don't sing reggae now, as long as it's good, it's short. It's the only thing with the yard at the factory. And one time when a song come up from Jamaica, some people that get more respect and say yard. But that is just a Jamaican community. The bigger massive will listen to reggae, then don't care where it's coming from, as long as it's reggae.
As long as it's good reggae music and the message is the right message.
Right, so I don't limit myself. Because one time I tell you, if I bust a yard, Brad not accept it. But that was one time for real. But Shaggy never bust a yard. Sean Paul never bust a yard. Enough artists never bust a yard. But the world accept them. So it's just a change of time, and you have to just know, say, have an open mind. Cause when song good, it good, you know. The guy from this island we sing a song about plant marijuana. Any man. Yeah. Song. That song, big song. Yeah. You never heard it come from. Helicopters, but something about helicopter marijuana.
Yeah. I know the song.
I never heard. You know, so I just I think they're Richie. So I just music and music run no wire fence.
So you haven't got a problem with music coming from different parts of the world? No,
man. I say, man, music is music. Music is life, and music run no wire fence. Music alone shall live. So no matter.
And would you go as far to say as Europe is supporting reggae music in a big way right now?
Yep. Europe, to me, Europe a lead. Did you know that them say France is a reggae capital right now? I'm ashamed.
We used to be the reggae capital here in Birmingham. Come on, Birmingham, what's going on?
I am ashamed because our people, they are just playing the top 10. They are just playing the top 10. And the music bigger than that. Then say France is a reggae capital right now. France have a lot of live shows every week, actually every night, every month, they bring reggae artists.
And you also think, Michaelis, we've come to realise as well, it's a lot of the roots artists that are travelling Europe and doing big things, more so than the dancehall artists.
And the wickedest thing is if you put a roots artist at a club somewhere in Europe and put a dancehall artist next to him, the roots artist, I go flap him sure. Because them people ain't go for the authentic real thing, reggae. So the people them have to wake up. When you stop limiting yourself, stop looking at anything like a top 10 and them thing there. Cause the music bigger. Cause you have artists, me know foundation artists from back them time that you know. I sing to them and record new song, you know, hear it. Cause most of this track them go for the hype. Yeah. Them now play them. But I'm surprised when I go Europe, me them play them.
Well, even when he was just here chilling before we even started talking this afternoon, you heard me playing some artists that don't really get played. Even artists like Nature and some of them younger artists that are coming through. There's a lot of DJs that are not giving them much support.
But London, I mean, you know, Nature and them thing. Nature go and go to Jamaica, but them most of them man run for the hype.
You know what? You know what I say? It's easy to play hits, but it ain't that easy to make the hits.
Pam.
For real. I'm with that.
How you gonna think I'll give thanks and praise to the Most High Jah the Almighty? Michaelis in Jamaica alongside DJ to make the Italian. Setting me DJ.
Original DJ to make us get the big come on.
Yo, me tell them. Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah before me touch the road. That one ya. How you gonna think I'll give thanks and praise to the Most High Jah the Almighty? Michaelis in
Crazy.
DJ to make the
Jamaica and Italy link up.
Original
DJ 2Bet.
Come on.
Big up.
Yo, me tell them. Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah before me touch the road. Take up me Bible and read up to scripture before me touch the road. Me have to make sure me reason with the Father before me touch the road. I don't me weapon, me no left in nowhere round ya. Anytime me a do road, Jah him a me guide and me protector. Him a protect me from all of these dangers. Me surrounded by a whole heap of stranger. On the back, feel you a feel bad like Lord Ranger. Them crucified just a sell him for 30 pieces of silver. Sell out Garvey shot Bob in a Jamaica. Kill Malcolm X and Martin Luther. So me put me life in the hands of the Father. Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah before me touch the road. Take up me Bible and read up to scripture before me touch the road. Me have to make sure me reason with the Father before me touch the road. I don't me weapon, me no left in nowhere round ya. Anytime me a do road.
Amore così grande che mi nebra, fino a perdere il respiro. Quella che ascolta, piange e sorride, vastità che ammiro. Che sia donna nera musica vera, poi sedere sera festa che dura fino al mattino. Fare l'amore fino, fare casino, l'applauso di chi è vicino al silenzio di un ritiro. Primavera che nasce, bellezza a cui mi ispiro. Sente che non si placca, vale più di un zaffiro. Una stella che non è sole, brilla con altre vicino. Quindi 1000 strade per un unico cammino.
Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah before me touch the road. Take up me Bible and read up to scripture before me touch the road. Me have to make sure me reason with the Father before me touch the road. I don't me weapon, me no left in nowhere round ya. Anytime me a do road, some call up panja in a them times of trouble. When things did a run and them pot did a bubble. Now them buck them two and drop in a the puddle. Never call up panja, fi rock some miracle.
Känner che diventere per cur Prenditi e bielece Non ti chiatti sta al pantan le font Dell'impirece Scritture che mi fanno di ispirazione Tipo
Crazy link up
Preghiere che ne fanno
Jamaica and Italy.
Straight.
Every morning as me rise me up in praise Jah.
And you know one question I have to ask you. I have to ask you because I don't know no Italian. Yeah. What is DJ Two-Bit actually saying?
Well, we are singing about Jah, praise Jah, and basically I do theme part in a theme language, you know. Me know the lyrics, me don't get the translation, but me don't remember half it right now. But him basically I praise the Almighty like the same. Yes, I say. Big up yourself, DJ Two-Bit. Think slap way, shell way.
And you know what? We're not gonna hold it against him or anybody from Italy that to beat England on the weekend, but that's how it goes
football, the ball around, you know. The ball around, don't. So anybody can, everybody go to be a winner, you know. So
serious? Who are you backing in the World Cup?
You know, so honestly, me just go with any team I see I win.
Just go on the winning team.
Any team I see I win, we just roll with them. I just we just watch it. I just enjoyment for me. Some people take it personal and fight and war.
Serious?
No, me never them something. I just work with the team and me say, I like that team there. Even if I lose, I work with them. What do you me work with the losing team, you know? I'm a little grandson said to me, say, why are you going to be losing team? I say, because I'm not a workerness.
You're loyal.
Yes, loyal to royalty, dog.
For real. Well, it's all good, but I hear in Jamaica now that all the little youths are out there selling flags and, you know, really getting behind the World Cup.
Yeah, man. No, it's a Jamaica. When World Cup time, man, Jamaica turn up, man. Turn up. I pay vibes. Yeah, man. Real
and
thing,
most of them are saying Brazil. Most Jamaicans are saying
everybody
Brazil.
has said Brazil.
Argentina.
That's why I was in Brazil and so when they are playing. Me never go in Brazil. Because it's not go nice. If everybody go Brazil, it's not nice. Somebody have flip on your post inside. Somebody's going in the next team. You see it?
For real.
Yeah, that's the thing there. Jamaica! A land I love.
Serious. Maybe one day we'll see Jamaica in the World Cup again.
I tell you, 98 was the last time we want to see them back again, you know?
For real. Okay, this next track we're going to play is on a familiar rhythm. Everybody will know the rhythm. I'm not going to tell you what it is before we play, but tell us about this track and why you recorded this track.
Which track is that?
The track you just give to me to play.
Oh, yeah, Herbs, good Herbs. You know me hear this song I mash up Jamaica, the original song, Pharrell and the American song. And me there on club one night. That's why I have to go out. And Oliver that play Metro Media, because Metro Media is my son. Come to me and say, DJ, that song they mash up place, nobody do a song or fight, and if you do a song in the ear, good Herbs. And I said, John, you know, say, I will leave the club about 4 o'clock. And at 7 o'clock, me no sleep. There I try to pencil out the song. And by, that was the Saturday night, the Friday night, and by the Sunday night, the song record already. That's how serious me is. Yeah, that was the Friday night before they were there at the club. Oliver tell me, and by the Sunday night to the Monday morning,
ready?
The song ready.
Okay.
So me really make and everything and vice right.
This song is about herbs.
Yeah, you know, herbs as they see them, I try them more legalize in Jamaica.
That's what I want to ask you. Would it be the right thing to legalize herbs in Jamaica, or would it cause more problems?
No, it not cause more problem. You know, you're gonna have less crime, I swear. Cause remember I said from back in the 80s and 90s, you know, I had people that I use I send them pitney to school, and some people never do a 95 but have house and I live comfortably out of herbs. From me, I've sent some born and come on this land. Me can show you one somebody with herb ever hurt or damage. Me no know, me no say no, but me never say that. I mean, me never hear of that. Me know say coke mash up people. Me know say rum kill people. Alcohol. You understand me? I say me never say one somebody. So them just have to set some things in place, legalize it, and set some things in place.
For real, because what about now? You've got your little man. We like to talk about the poor people because we love and we support the poor people.
Right.
Yeah. So what about the little man now who's got his little herbs growing? Yeah. And he wants to go on the road and sell them, and then you have these big corporate companies that come in and take over, and the little man can't make his raise no more.
That's why them have to put certain things in place where you have the farmer who farm the thing, and then you have, for instance, like a wholesale thing, then me go buy from the farmer and come sell it at certain price, and then but the thing is so corrupt that maybe them would have come with something where the little man them get feed no food. You understand? But I mean, just hope and best that them do it the best way where everybody can.
So really, ideally, how it would be like you would have a big warehouse or a big somewhere where the little man can bring his thing and have his stall and sell it. That
right,
way
like when you go country, go buy your food from the farmer, come back at town, sell it at a price,
and then it's down to the real peeps, whatever they choose.
Right, and actually enough poor people can live off. Because farming is farming, you know.
Serious.
It no matter where you farming is farming. So if you have farm food and can live off of food, and you can live off of herb, then say fauna and king King Solomon grave. I never man make it. Everybody ban come see it and we can live our fight. I never see what about look how much people cigarette kill and cigarette legalize. If me drink a bottle of rum right now and drive to London, 99.9% will in an accident. Me can burn any amount of weed right now and drive straight to London and no problem. Don't.
We say support the farmers.
Yep.
Everybody get up. Every ganja man and ganja woman, a phone with a song ya. You know say fire pan cocaine, don't. Some of me see the ganja lighter, they know. Every lighter, every lighter, ganja man lighter. Every lighter, ganja woman lighter. Ambition. Every herb man, give me a signal from your bone weed. Fire pan cocaine, ganja must legalize. One jar open up my eyes. Babylon them a kill the earth. Tell them to be wise. Big up every ganja man in a we island. From down a Senti and from down a Westmoreland. You want a good draw, just come a Sentan. Don't give me no bush herb. So me have to say me want some good herbs. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Some good herbs. Don't even ask me. I really want it. I can't make it past me. Me a whole lot herb vibes. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Some good herbs. Me love to smoke it. Tell them export it. Babylon no fight it. If them like the herb feel, we a kill the cane feel. I want them feel like ganja are where we like. We love the ganja. I smoke marijuana. Put up on a lighter. All ganja farmer. If you see me iron, must be the land spread. If you are rum head, well me a weed head. Ganja must legalize. Tell them no criticize. It was found on King Solomon grave, so make we have some good herbs. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Some good herbs. Don't even ask me. I really want it. I can't make it past me. All Birmingham and massive. Big up on the self panda one here. You know some Marcus representing for like a rich birthday bash, don't? Alright. Heavy lighter, heavy lighter, Birmingham lighter, heavy lighter, UK lighter, ambition, yo massive and crew, remember, Birmingham and the whole of UK, Saturday, June 21st, 2014, I, Michaelos, will be flying in from Jamaica, and we'll be in the building to celebrate with Little Richie and his birthday bash, with a whole lot of artists from around the world. I'll be performing all my hits after hits, remember, at Cobb's Bar, 127 Sherlock Street, Birmingham City Centre, B56NB. Remember, Michaelos live and direct from Jamaica. So all of the Birmingham massive, I'm tell them something. Every ganja man, I'm tell them something. Yeah. Every herb man, give me a signal from your bone weed. Fire up and cocaine. Ganja must legalize. One jar, open up your eyes. Babylon, them a kill the herb. Tell them to be wise. Remember, Michaelos flying in live and direct from Jamaica to celebrate with Little Richie at Cobb's Bar, 127 Sherlock Street, Birmingham City Centre. Remember, June 21st, 2014, with a whole lot of artists from around the world. Remember, me tell you, Little Richie this shot.
Lil Richie, the ultimate reggae juggling machine.
It's Shamus Production. You know Michaelos alongside Little Johnny Wonder. I sing for that girl, yeah. You better be true. Me thinking about you 7 days of the week. You better be true. Can't she was sleep. Little John.
Baby, be true. I'm the gift of work to you. I mean it, baby.
I'll give you everything,
baby.
Ambition.
Treat me right, and I love you day and night. I need you, baby.
Meaning from my heart and my soul.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I give my heart to you. It's true.
Baby girl.
Baby, I do what you ask me to. It's true.
Anything you want me to do.
Baby.
Sure.
Baby. I need it, baby. Baby.
Let me talk to you, Little John. Woman, you treat me right, I will treat you good. Make you be the hottest girl in the neighborhood. Give you all the loving that I know I should. Make you live like the stars, them way in a Hollywood. anything you want.
Yes, I do what you ask me to. It's true.
Just say it now.
I mean it, baby. Baby.
Me mean it from me heart.
Baby.
Woman.
It goes.
Be treated like a woman should be treated. Give your love and happiness and no farmer cheating. Expensive gift and player haters will be grieving. Candle lightning as good loving won't be leaving. Say I will take you around the world and give you diamonds and pearl. Yeah, me honey bunch, me sweetie pie, the one and only girl. And
What the little vibes we're holding, the little joy we have around here. Strong man.
You can't manage to eat in a liquor rich in a hot. First me sweat from me come from Jamaica, I swear.
I need you, baby.
Don't forget the hot spot. The hot spot this Saturday.
Baby. Cops bar,
Cops bar, for real. Big up to all the artists that are taking part. Much love and respect. Give you a full rundown before we go.
All I'm in love.
Big up all the DJs and the entertainers. And big up all the industry players that will be in the building that we can't mention, you know what I mean?
Baby, I do what you ask me to. It's true.
It's gonna be crazy. How did it come about with you and Little John? Little John.
No, I'm a singer. This you talk about Little Johnny Wonder.
For real.
Veteran singer that you tell me I come from far. Show me enough respect and love, and we say we have to do a combination. As a matter of fact, we're supposed to have a million combination, but you know sometimes the time it takes something. But you don't know. Little John, big up yourself. A youth we still are doing thing. Same way I'm start to sing Jane a dance hall. Enough of them youth to come a Little John style them take. Big up yourself, Miss Ruben. Me know y'all listen. You first bring me come a Birmingham 1992 with bass at this say. Tyrone! At 100 pound, I'm son. Yo, fall it down, big up yourself, DJ Solid, Liquor Richie. To be honest, me I tell you this from my heart, I swear. Happy birthday again. I'm going to live for see many more that with good wealth, good health. Seeing, I'm going to tell you this, we need more people like you in the business that because you're keeping reggae music and the real artists, them foundation artists, them alive. It's like GT Taylor to me. I swear, he's like Mighty Mike to me, that I mean, I beg you, keep it up and respect. We just need some more people like you because a lot of these songs we have played, Michaelos, people don't hear them a lot in the dance hall, you know, because I'm not sing about killing and bleaching and the frack and all of them things there. So people, when you know them sing a lot in the dance hall, but if you listen authentic this jockey, you will hear them. I remember Saturday night, I go have enough CDs I go. Don't afraid to come up to me and ask for a CD. I have some CD with 18 tracks. So you can come up and ask and get a CD because I say me a dig up road. You can check me out on Facebook, www.facebook.com/MichaelusGrant. Twitter me at Michaelos1. Email lmichaelos@yahoo.com. You can BBM me 26AFDA2D, or you can telephone 079-835-6506038.
Oh, you know what? They can just link me.
I link up like a Richie because you respond to my career. Yeah, you respond to my career for real. I swear, because a long time you give me the strength, you motivate me by me there Jamaica. You can tell me, say, yo, your song I play on IRFM. You have, Dada, a man there England, you come like Colorman. Colorman live in London. I'm there Jamaica, my name, I'm here drive. Me there about business, I make my phone and ring up. Yo, your song I play on radio, Colorman. You know people who interest in your thing. Me there Jamaica, Liquor Richie. But I mean, GTA beat, I was like, John
I love my IRFM.
Liquor Richie, me born August 30th, me not play hypocrite. Me straight, me tell him me play every game in the world, me can't play hypocrite. Yo, a man like GT Taylor keep Michaelos going. Big up yourself, Tyrone. I big you up again. You know I big you up, because if you not play some Michaelos, you start get conquered. Sister Ruben, big up yourself. It's all good. Birmingham, Mama Cherry, Boxer, big up yourself, you know.
Alright, listen, we still got loads more big songs we want to feature before we go. This is a collaboration with you and Mackie
Conscious. Yeah, this is
where Mackie Conscious come from,
Montego Bay, yeah. Good singer, but him now get the push neither, because I'm singing too.
And he's got a little studio down there as well.
You know, at Jamaica you live. No, sir. At Jamaica you live, sir. Go and play a song. At Jamaica you live.
Run songs!
You know, it's Mackie Conscious alongside Michaelos. Talking to the society. We need some love in our heart.
Link up your fellow man, lend him a helping hand.
Sure.
Put a little love in your heart.
Put it there. Yeah.
You see it's getting late. Oh, please don't hesitate. Put a little love in your heart.
just wait and see.
Love is the answer, my sister, my brother. Full time now, for we all come together. Now is not the time to back by one another. Fight against, come vicious, play a your little brother. No try down a man if him a climb up a ladder. No father against son, daughter against no mother. No more robbery, rape, neither murder. With love in our heart, wickedness get conquered, yeah.
Another day goes by, still the children cry.
Oh God,
put a little love in your heart.
Love the youth them.
You want the world to know, we won't let hatred grow. Put a little love in your heart.
Put it there, put it there, put it there.
The world will be a better place.
Must be better.
The world will be a better place for you and me. You just wait and see. Wait and see.
Well, you don't know love, and if you don't know love, well, you don't know God. Can't reason again. It kinda sad, rape all. Woman, little pygmy, you must say what just. We back the loving of the community. No more war nor brutality. No more JP nor no PNP. Just agree with me, we are human beings.
Take a good look around.
Look, no man.
And if you're looking down, put a little love in your heart.
Crazy Michaelis in the building.
I hope when you decide.
Put a little love in your heart.
Put a little love in your heart. Talking to England and America. And the world
will be a better
must be better.
And the world will be a better place
for you and me. And me.
You just wait
and see.
Put a little
love in your heart. Put it to Israel and Palestine.
Put a little love in your heart.
What about Iraq and Iran?
Michael is so versatile, me nah lie.
Swear. To Pakistan and Afghanistan.
Put a little love in your heart.
And the message is in the music. Put a little love in your heart. Spread it around the world. Michaelis, you're on the road so often. Every time I talk to you, you're somewhere in the world.
Yeah, if I know Europe, America, if I know America, Jamaica, if I know Jamaica, England. You know, boy, Richie, me just love the music as me I say. I don't care who want play me. Me just know say you have people who accept me. So me just work at them me I work for the people who love.
So you know something, Michaelis, tell me about family life, because you must have your family in Jamaica, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Do they support you, and because you're away from home so often?
100%, man. You know, me are the first one for mother and father, 7 of us. Me are the first one. Whole family there in Jamaica. Me just have like 2 sisters out there who live in the state and thing. Me get 3 youth. You know, and one of them is in London. And me have my little grandson, just have a baby, my little grandson. You say grandson, you also like some old man, don't but guess what? Modern days big man. You call him modern days big man, don't Alright, and you know, it's all good, you know, me not married. So, but me I go and live my life and me enjoy life. But as me I say, the people them who true, they really support me.
So, is it Ochre living these days?
Live in Ochre Center, never leave Ochre, you know. I just from a couple miles away from Ochre, St. Anne's Bay. Yeah, but me live in Ochre from early 90s. I start DJ Jack Ruby Sound and I'm still there. So, still at the road. Thank God Almighty. In a good health. Free like a bird in the tree. What more can I ask for?
So what about albums and projects that you've got coming up?
You know, come to think of it, every time I do an album, record some amount of song, put out an album, something always happen that they never release. But them say time is a master.
Yeah.
And
so you're telling me you've been in the business so long and you haven't really got one
put out an official album. Yeah, I never put out an love single. Because I do an album for Penthouse. And me and Penthouse it fall out. Some look at misunderstanding. Album never released. I do a next album for a next virgin from England in a 92, 93. Something go down with him. Never release. Me do couple. Me can put at least 10 albums together with the amount of song I have. But this CDs that I get, it's not an official album. I just put 18 tracks together. And some of the songs before and some recently, and just I do a road, I'll give them out promotion.
For real. And as far as the business goes, is it mainly the touring that brings in the finances at the moment?
Yeah, the shows, the live shows and the dub plates, and if people want ads are, so that is what bringing them. Because you know, music, the sales, It's not like one time when you record used to sell, because a lot of people don't know the thing. Once you do a song and you get out of here and you reach somebody and you're surprised they're all over the world in the next 24 hours and you don't know you reach there. But you know, it sells by iTunes and everything there. It's minimal. It that not much. But the live shows, want to do a good song take off, you get shows, dub plates and other engagement, you know. So
we've played enough big tunes from you, and I've got a massive song to play, which some people listening right now may not even know that is you that we're talking to right now. But I'm gonna save that just before we go. Yeah, we want to feature a couple more before we do let you go. Tell us about this. Now, Dad's for me.
Yeah, this song is you know, as me say, Michaelos is not a yes man. Me not change cause money alone change. Me not switch cause me no electrical circuit. I me not take press cause me no close. You understand? So me see in the business, some artists rather fi sell them soul for the hype more than for be true to themselves. Me is a youth, if me have power like Richie, I show me respect, me show you about the same amount of respect. Cause at the end of the day, blood run through us. Now, if you have more money than me, that doesn't mean say if you disrespect me. So me is a youth, me no take press and nobody no disrespect because you're big or because you're powerful. Me not gonna see you do something wrong and tell you say right thing you do. Me is not that type. That's why I'm not par with no bag of artists. I'm not par with no bag of man. You have to when we are par, two we have mutual respect or three away. So I saw the song come out. Me no friend that to them, but them are not that to me. Because I see enough artists try to use that for me because them say them hot. You know.
But you hang out with the best of them, Beanie Man and all of them.
Me and Beanie Man, no people don't even know this. Me and Beanie Man, me even get a break before Beanie Man. I thought we're real official break, 1989. Beanie Man was 92 officially. I mean, 1988, late 88, 89, I get my first song. Me and Beanie Man, I run up and down Par, run up and down all over the world, all about Jamaica. We do a lot of show Bahamas, Florida. Beanie Man, I'm a friend, my real friend.
True.
So, but you know, sometimes I just stay in my lane because I don't like the hyper crowd and hyper mix up. Because me as a youth, I strive to stay out of trouble as much as I can. So sometimes I don't bother the crowd. Anyway, I miss the crowd.
You know something, talking to you right now, you remind me very much of myself because I know the world, but I stay by myself.
Stay by myself. So
you know what I mean? And people say, what is something about Richie? I don't know what it is, but there's something about Richie. You don't see me walking up and down with an old heap of man.
No, I not do that something
You
there.
just see me by myself, just humble, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know the world.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, you see, them say too many rat dig bad hole, you know. And sometimes you get caught up with some people and it's just a wrong road star.
And good and bad can't live together.
Yeah, it can't work. And me as a youth now, as me say, if three we apart, three mutual respect. No man no more than no man.
Serious things.
And that's what I think. Once you say you the dads and me, if you look up to you, I look, no, I know that's something there.
Alright, release the song.
Drop it.
G Black Production. Me a boy when no fright no feed dads and the money. From me little bit me learn fi no run back and not even mommy. Michaelos I tell them that's it them, but them a know that's me. No boy can't send me out of me no little big name. Ambition, G Black Production. Me a boy when no fright no feed dads and the money. From me little bit me learn fi no run back and not even mommy. Michaelos I tell them that's it them, but them a know that's me. No boy can't send me out of me no little picnic. Not on for them, but them a no top man for me. One big man me spend me one money. Not on for them, but them a no bad man for me. No boy no bad luck and me go ask for the geary. Rich them, but them no rich me. Real rich man no spend and watch money. I be one cigarette a indica. Now the bed pan no that's it buy me liquor. They say them only tick, but my one ticker. I me not take it by no bag of hype like flipper. The ambitious plus me is a go-getter. Last year did good, but this year it a feel better. Nuff dirty heart one fi see me pass stretcher. Psalms 109 and them melt well like butter. Just good, that's it them, but them a know that's me. No boy can't send me out of me a no little picnic. Top man for them, but them a no top man for me. One big man me spend me one money. Bad man for them, but them a no bad man for me. No boy no bad luck and me go ask for the geary. Rich them, but them no rich me. Real rich man no spend and watch money. Fi run back at that's a no my thing that. Fi beg $100 and no king thing that. Fi wear that chain and no bling thing that. I pam broke me say I me sing that. Real man no beg a stitch. Hitch up back at that's and I go on like mistress. From a little bit me a practice rich. Come me want me one house and me satellite. That's it them, but them a know that's me. No boy can't send me out of me a no little picnic. Top man for them, but them a no top man for me. One big man me spend me want money. I don't fit them, but them are no bad man for me. No boy no bad luck, and me go ask for the geary. Rich with them, but them no rich with me. Real rich man no spend and watch money. Me no drive than car, me no wear than clothes. Rich up in a dance side a dan and a pose. What happen to them and me say what happen to those? Me say follow back a run back a wear man clothes. Father of his own, father of his own. Blessed that the child will have be his own. You can't say you're king and not depend your own throne. Hey crazy Chris, just tell me how me sound. That's it them, but them a know that's me. No boy can't send me up. I will no little big me. Come on for them, but them a no top man for me. One big man we spend, we want money. Bad man for them, but them a no bad man for me. No boy no bad luck, and me go ask little Richie. Richie them, but them no Richie me. Fall it on.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. Michaelis in the building, everybody.
But my one ticker, I mean not take it by no bag of hype like flipper. Me ambitious plus.
Got time to squeeze in just a couple more.
I see the good, but
we could be here all day and all night playing these.
I tell you, we have so much things to say.
And so much things to do.
I will come back in here straight.
For real soon. Right, we got about 6 more minutes to go. So we're going to feature this next track you've given me off the CD.
How can we do this program and don't play this? Because some more people know say Michaelis cater for the ladies them, you know. So this song is different Michaelis, you know. Just alright, don't sit back and listen to the song. I don't say nothing. Hotness to all my hot ladies. To all my hot ladies.
Oh gosh. Michaelis going in.
Reaching out to all the nice and decent ladies. Girl from you know say you hot walk out and the video make some girl know say hotness and something in a shop. You have to bond with that. So all my hot ladies. Hot girls only. Not the dance and party. Don't need no flap girl, no. We no qualify. Girl in your dear clothes. Step out in the light. Step out. Tights hot girls only tonight. Woo. Say you buy your own clothes. Buy your own clothes, me girl. And you pay for your hairstyle. Hairdresser. You don't got no man problem. No, in your life. When some girl a show off, the girl ain't nothing in your class. Tights hot girls only tonight. Girls in the walkout band. Hot girls only. Not the dance and party. Don't need no flap girl, no. We no qualify. Girl in your dear clothes. Step out in the light. Step out. Guys, hot girls only tonight. Go hype on a flap girl. Make she know she no ready. You're hotter than an angel. Girl, you're hotter than spice. Are you around the party?
It's not members only. And the hot girls only. It don't matter if you're fat or thin, if you're black or white. Or you're hot the same way.
Some girls say them hot and the man no tell them. Some girls say them hot and no got no door key. But hot without education and no hot that. Hot without ambition and no hot that. Make me tell you something. Hot girl come a dance and drink cranberry water. Bitch up in the corner and a big man liquor. So all of me nice and decent hot ladies, walk out and make some girl know so no hot.
Why you say Michaelis?
Hot girls only. In a Richie party. Don't need no flap girl. No, them no qualify. Girl in your dear clothes. Step out in the light. Kites hot girls only tonight. Mud, mean.
Boy, I tell you, we're all the joy. You're all the little vibes around here this afternoon. You're nice on my birthday. Boy, I tell you.
Happy birthday again, you boss. Big up all who are listening to you right now. Big up Sister Ruben, big up yourself. You know, GTTL, if you listen to Jamaica, big up yourself. Ray Ghana, watch yourself, listen. Rose!
You don't know when I pose. Big up yourself, Miss Cherry. Jenny P, big up yourself. Little Richie birthday bash Saturday night. Now go normal people. Me I tell them the performance. So me name I say not more. Just come out.
Come out.
Me I say not more. Kevin.
And one thing we want to say, come out early because it's not like a great big venue or anything like that. It's a little kind of personal thing. So I want people to come out early. I haven't done no tickets. You know why? Because you see, if someone buys a ticket and can't get in, a bit worries for me.
No refund.
And I don't want to be dealing with them kind of things. You know what I mean? So please come out early. We're there from 10 o'clock. Doors are open from 10. The DJs have been told already. Well, I don't tell them. They know already.
There is our no. There is our no.
Yes. We party straight from 10 o'clock. Listen, you hear enough DJs say, boy, how warm you warm the big machine. We ain't warming no big machine.
When you come, you just a shot. No, there's a shot to make you shoot. No warm up nothing. Shot to make you shoot. Big up Sound Solid DJ Solid on the building with me. I'm a roadie. London, big up yourself. Kevin, large up yourself and the Laughland Massive. Tyrone, fall it on. What y'all deal with? Super King. I know y'all listen. I feel say y'all listen because they told you. The whole of London I listen. The whole of Jamaica, Africa. Straight.
Well, listen, my little Richard's birthday party is taking place this coming Saturday. We have 8 great artists live on stage, flying into Birmingham, UK, from out of Jamaica for the very first time, and it is the first time that Michaelis is performing in Birmingham. True?
Yeah, first time as Michaelis.
As Michaelis.
Yeah, 1992. What's nigga Mike? We call the nigga.
I got away with that one.
Miss Ruben.
First time as Michaelis.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Also Contractor. You know Contractor.
Yeah, Contractor, the actor from Watchers.
You see it. Big up his own Contractor. Sean to his friends. Yeah, and from London, Kareem Shabazz and also Mira. From Birmingham, Dennis Lloyd, Papa Biggie, Vibrock, Italo Scarcha. You know Italo Scarcha?
Yeah man, you know about him man. You don't know him personal. But me I say people, right a serious thing is to come out early. Little Richie birthday bash I go slap where the performance now go normal. Me I go have CDs to gives aways.
You know something? I know you wanted to do some little freestyles, but we run out of time.
Yeah, the time
in. So I want to feature one more song. But listen, you see my hand, I want you to shake my hand. Yeah,
man, as
a friend to a friend right now.
Man, thanks.
I respect.
Thanks for having me, star. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man.
Sound
showing
solid.
some love.
Yeah, man. Sound solid.
Sound solid. Everything nice.
Respect and manners for real. Your final words for now, and we wish you all the best in your career.
Yes, Richard, give thanks. And I say, Father God Almighty, thanks for guidance and protection. And you don't know, as I say, love people. That's what they eat, no, please. That's what they eat. No, we love one another, brothers and sisters. Because at the end of the day, nobody now left with nothing. You understand? It's just memories, you know. Love is the answer. Michael said that. As me, I say, check me out. Check Little Richie. I'm available for dub plate and jingles. Anything goes. Me there. I do road. I dig up road. Straight.
Michaelis, we link up on Saturday. Listen to the big song.
Nice again. You better think twice again. Foreign no nice again. He gets sticky over foreign and he's sticky in a yard. Every man a boss say it hard. Everything we wanna foreign, me say it wanna yard. Father God do help we all hard. He gets sticky in a foreign and he's sticky down a yard. Every man a boss say it hard. Everything we wanna foreign, me say it wanna yard. Father God do help we all hard. All the system set up, it make me feel like fed up. When Mr. Broker, Mr. Hungry woke up. Me nah run from them and I feel fight and stand up. Now run we go a foreign like the dancer broke up. Foreign no nice again, it's like up, they mash up. All the hustler them, they are bristle back up. We no get out the boat, they are jail lock up. Man, they get out the boat and fly back up. But from the fingerprinting come in, you get sticky on the airport scene. Mr. Immigration, you stop treat women.
Oh, this Casa Benz, big up yourself, you know. I know y'all listen, forget your January, sorry, no disrespect. Casa Benz or Casa Benz, big up yourself, princess. I don't know, make sure you come out of the birthday bash. Cause I go mad. Me there, I am is our ear. Ambition.
That we say. Hey, big up yourself, DJ Countryman, with much love and respect. Big up all my peeps on Facebook. I've got so messages to answer. Thank you all for your love. As I always say, thanks for having us. Millions wouldn't. I'll return back on your radio sets this coming Friday from 9 o'clock onwards. So I just want to say my many thanks to Michaelis for making a journey. He'll be in the building with us live at the Cubs Bar on Saturday from a big birthday party. So listen and tell Friday morning. Thanks for having us. Millions wouldn't. And as I always say, take care of yourselves and each other. It's bye for now.
Every man a boss hard. Everything we wanna for him, me say it wanna yard. Father God, do every oh Lord. Fella!
Little Richie, the real big show in the afternoon.
You hear?